Just back question. Million IA Milord, 5 million for condition of delay. Notice the issue Milord, switch may come on Friday Milord.
Maybe not. This person maybe take up from all objects, for dual objects.
New bail.
No,
method.
lordship direct. Ujjwal lordship.
Withdraw.
May I please, Lordship? So I beg to mention for listing on AV Lordship, new metal Lordship, Friday Lordship. And
Not Friday. Let it be tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Same prayer lordship.
Tomorrow.
May I please, my lord? I beg to mention, my lord, item number 40, my lord. Today fixed for CD, my lord, but as per CD, today's CD is not available, lordship. Kindly next date maybe. There is a frame, my lord, interim may be extended, my lord.
Sure. Yes, I not received. Reminder is the interim extent 40.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention an AB for listing on
List-
Friday. Your
Next,
Lordship.
which my what?
Anticipatory bail for
Anticipate little bit more. Tomorrow.
listing of a regular bill application matter for tomorrow, man. Obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 23. As per my knowledge, CD is not available, Lordship.
Yeah.
Kindly date, another
Yeah.
date may be fixed.
There's this postponed. That is not available.
Not available, Lordship.
Interim order is there.
No, Lordship.
Interim order is not there. When do you want it? After vacation?
Okay, Lordship.
No, it's second. 9th. 9th. Don't forget it. CD not available. Issue reminder.
Lordship, listing for bill application. On Friday?
Friday. AB or
B.
B?
With please, the Lordship. Lordship, may I pay for listing of a regular bail application?
On
Friday?
Friday.
Yeah.
You have
May I
still
please,
use
lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42, lordship.
42.
Lordship. Lordship, pass over for the day, lordship.
42, we have received the case, right, Lordship? 42, 48 and 30 is connected.
Connected.
42, 48 and 30.
It is connected and diary has come. So let us wait for the matter to come.
Obliged, Lordship.
Okay, then we'll see.
May it please, your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 36 to 37, Lordship.
36 and 37.
37. CD has arrived, but Lordship, my senior is out of station.
We have received the case, right?
Okay. So day after tomorrow,
No, my lord. A date may be fixed on 29/1.
are you on interim?
Yes, sir. Yes, Lordship.
Then
29, then it will be, I'll have to send back the.
no, interim, and then we have to see the merits of the case on Friday.
Interim may be continued.
No, will he be available on Friday?
Friday.
Let it be on Friday. Right. Interim will continue on Friday.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 47. As my learned senior, SM Abdullah P is not well, so lordship kindly pass over them later for the day.
Diary,
Diary is available, Lordship.
can he manage on Friday?
Friday, lordship.
Friday.
Obliged.
Lordship, may I beg to state for mention of an anticipatory bill application for tomorrow? Obliged.
May I please, I beg to mention for unlisted today, because 73 days already behind the bar, and this is second application. Today at last item.
If time permits.
Much.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing tomorrow, lordship, for withdrawal.
No problem.
May I please, your lordship? I like to mention item number 24, your lordship.
24?
Yes, your lordship. I will inform your CD has not been received, your lordship. I'm on interim, your lordship. My
Oh,
interim will continue, your lordship.
CD is not received. Interim bail to continue next
R6 submitted.
date of listing. Should we adjourn it or take it up?
Such is submitted, your
Take it up then. Let it come up and when it in the list it come up in the usual course today, then we can pass an order. If necessary, we'll fix it after.
Obliged, your lordship.
May it please, Lord.
Like it.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal appeal, Lordship, on 19th or 20. The trial court convicted for 4 years,
Mhm.
and the accused is
Or
has been
after
in
vacation.
judicial.
Okay, no problem.
Listing for withdrawal matter tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention a bill application, your lordship, for listing for tomorrow. Much obliged.
May it please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6. Kindly pass over it for a day on fix and fix it on 20th of January.
20 of January,
Yes.
BA, okay. Okay. Good. Just a minute. That's
Made please, your lordship.
tag line. Yeah,
Made please, your lordship. Lordship, allegation in the FIR at page 14 is a, my lord, he made a comment in the Facebook, my lord. And till now, my lord, he is 56 days behind the bar.
what kind of comment?
Comment is, my lord, as per my instruction, election আহিছে, সরকারে জড়িত হয়ে বোমা দিছে. This only line. Regarding the Red Forts, my lord, yeah,
Oh,
Red
so
Fort
that's-
blast. He make this only comment, 56 days, my lord, today. And the mobile phone and the SIM card also, my lord, seized.
Mhm.
As per my lord,
There's a connected bail application in which we
But,
call for the case diary. I think so.
Let it be come up day after tomorrow, my lord.
Day after
Day
tomorrow.
after tomorrow.
Case diary, call for the case diary of Manikpur PS case number 120 of 2025. So and so. Please the matter on 9/1.
9/1.
Always.
Day after tomorrow we'll take it.
That is your lordship. Same, my lord, kindly see page 12, my lord. FIR, my lord.
Yes. Page 12, huh? Yes.
The petitioner father is a cancer patient, my lord, is serious, my lord. And already 41 days has passed in jail hazard, my lord.
They were searched. Okay, and gold was found.
Yes, my lord.
Gold was found, my lord, and could not produce any valid documents, my lord.
Achha. This again brings up that question, right? That
Yeah.
we had discussed earlier sometime in some other case that what offense will it make out if you are carrying gold biscuits?
My lord.
Yeah,
But
other
other
than
that, my lord, if he could not produce any documents, my lord,
Uh,
it can be, my lord, that presume, my lord, for the purpose of investigation that, my lord, it may be stolen one.
Already, my lord, 41 days, my lord.
day after tomorrow,
My lord.
day after tomorrow. See,
We'll try, my lord, he's a
My lord.
master PS, man.
Bokhisto,
Yes, my lord. It's in Guwahati, my lord.
Bokhisto PS case.
Day after tomorrow, my lord,
Okay.
because of his father condition is serious, my lord.
Okay. Call for the case diary of Bokhisto PS case number 569 of 25, 6/1/91.
Obliged.
Very clear. My lord, this is regular bail application, my lord. We are behind the parts since 29 days, my lord. Particular is at page number 8.
143 is what?
My lord, trafficking, like imprisonment. So at this stage, my lord, city may be required, my lord. Only 29 days.
After vacation, call for the case diary of Matia PS case number. What is the case number? Matia PS case number 8 of 2025. The petitioners were arrested on 9/12/2025. List the matter on 19.
My
19/1.
not 19, my lord, it is not 20, my lord, second day. my lord.
20.
My
20.
highly.
Maybe this matter may be kindly taken up after some time, my lord.
After-
Along with supply 57,
Item number?
item number 4 and 57.
4 and 57.
57th. Oh, no problem.
Highly.
May please, your lordship. For the bail application, FIR page 11, lordship, allegation under section 379, lordship. Lordship, the accused arrested on 25/11, 43 days behind the bar, and the vehicle has already been recovered, lordship. And his name is not mentioned in the FIR. The only allegation is that the accused has purchased the vehicle from one accused, lordship. And the vehicle has already been recovered. It is already mentioned in page number 19. And all the co-accused already granted bail, lordship. Except 3, page 19.
The perusal of the case that is necessary, man.
Lordship, all the co-acres already granted bail, Lordship. The
Actually,
vehicle has already been.
Two other cases are pending against him about on theft, according to the forwarding. report.
Kindly see
Anyway,
Annex 3, page 19. Lordship, Learned Counsel for the petition submits that the petitioner is in custody since 53 days and the student vehicles have already been recovered, Lordship.
Yes.
This is
Kindly
the
consider the
order
grant
of,
of petition.
this is an order of 2018.
Yes, Lordship.
Call for the case diary of the, what is STF? STF?
Special,
task force.
special
Lordship.
task force.
STF, case
60 days behind the wall, Lordship. And today 43 days.
STF PS case number 4 of 2018. The petitioner was arrested on 25/11/2025. Is the matter of, when can we give it?
19, my lord, immediately after visit.
60 days, 60 days.
No, it will not over.
Only two choices, the 1920 or 9th. 9th again.
We can try, my lord.
Nine is it?
9.
Well, otherwise, the petitioner is under 82 days under custody. Delays and PS case.
What is the allegation?
Allegation 103(1), 61(2)(a) and 238(a) BNS. So, what happened?
Domestic help.
Yes. Page 70.
Yeah, tell me.
Page 17 is the FIR. Well, there is a house raid.
Uh-huh.
She committed suicide.
I see.
And during that time, the house lady, the owner, she was not there.
Uh-huh.
She, along with her driver, went to Tinsukia.
Uh-huh.
And driver bail application is also is listed item number 56. So out of same FIR.
I see.
So, we have also clearly indicated there's a cash memo and all. I was not there during that time. And prior to that incident, she went to the nearby village, and also met some people there. So these things are there. And more importantly, they reside in a colony, the oil colony, Oil India Limited colony. CCTV footage is everywhere, So no CCTV footage has been kept, obtained by the investigation team,
Okay.
That should be very, very much clear, they are not there.
Anyway, so let us call for the diary. We can take a chance on Friday.
Friday,
Otherwise, there are only 2 days left. How long she was arrested on?
On 1810, 1810.
1810. And as on today completed, how many?
82 days,
Yeah, that's fine. It will be over. That is right.
That's right.
Let us try day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Call for the case diary of Duliajan, but it's from Duliajan.
Yes,
Duliajan PS case number 179 of 25. The petitioner was arrested on 18/10/2025. List on 9/1.
56, same order.
You are there?
Yeah, I'm there.
56. Sibu,
Roughly 56.
where are you? Where are you? Can't see you.
All right.
56.
Wait, His Lordship, I am 70
Yes.
years old and have
Mr.
been in
Ram.
custody for 53 days. I have been in custody for 53 days. I am 70 years old, Lordship. All the offences are 7 years punishment, Lordship. And my name is not mentioned in the FIR, Lordship. I'm not.
Yesterday we, I think.
Yes, my lord,
that's
one matter.
Which date have you fixed?
Fixed it on 9th, my lord.
This Friday.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Take a chance.
My lord.
Call for the case diary of Dhing PS case number 277 of 25. This, the accused was arrested on 16/11/2025.
BA 4086.
Huh?
Earlier, BA 4086, which is fixed on 9th.
Okay. What is the matter of 9/1? Should I mention the matter? Along with,
That may mention, my lord.
along with BA number
40.
4086/25.
4086 of 25. T6 same order. T7. T7, nobody is there. Huh? Okay, after some time.
May I please, your lordship? So, lordship,
Tell
this is a non-FIR case, lordship.
Yeah.
Instruction was called for, lordship. No case, no many case has been registered relating to matter till now.
GD entry.
Satna PS GD number 13, yes, with reference to subject item, I have the honor to report that Sri Sandan Burman, so it's a kept in the part also. So since lordship, the GD number is already there, that means complaint has been filed. Anytime case may
But
be.
case has not been registered.
Yes,
Yes.
lordship, but anytime they can register the case, lordship, because the complaint is already there, lordship.
Then I think no case has been registered.
Check
But
for-
does the report indicate filing of any complaint?
Yeah, lordship,
GD entry.
complaint is Sandan Kumar Burman, will so and so. Informed at this PS with written petition stating that in the year 2024 series, this petitioner lordship, Jawaharnagar Kanapura Guwahati took an amount of 3,50,000 from him on the pretext of giving up grade 4 job, but later on neither he gave any job nor returned the money of the a complaint was lodged, lordship, but accordingly several times the inquiry officer informed this petitioner to appear at Satgaon PS for interrogation about the matter, but despite calling, he did not come to the police station. No any case has been registered relating to the matter till now.
But you could have gone because there is an interim order.
Yes, lordship.
You could have gone actually. So,
Lordship, that matter may be taken up after some time, lordship. Actually, I have to take instruction whether he appears or not.
instructions, or we can post it after vacation. In the meantime, he can appear and
Appear. Lordship.
record his statement.
Lordship.
What do you prefer? Should I take it up after
Lordship,
some time?
interim may be continue and that may be given, lordship. Interim protection is only no coercive action
Yes,
taken
lordship.
place.
Yes. Or because 9th again, 8th and 9th we are constrained.
Yes, lordship.
We cannot
So,
take too many matters.
Postpone to till after vacation, lordship, then in the meantime, he can appear before the IO.
In terms of order dated 4/12/2025, a report has been received from the concerned police station revealing that the complaint has been filed by one Mr. Who is the complaint?
Complaint with by Sri Sandan Burman.
Sandan Burman with certain allegations, whereupon GD number 13 dated 17/8/2025 has been registered. Full stop. However, it is also stated that so far no case has been registered with regard to the said complaint. The given facts and circumstances. The bail petition is kept pending for the moment. And petitioner, who is already under the cover of an interim protection, shall appear before the, shall cooperate with the investigation if any, and appear before the IO. And making himself available for examination. The interim order about no coercive action shall continue till the next date of listing. Further, if in the meantime, the case, any case is registered, the case diary thereof shall be sent to this court on the next day.
Lordship. That lordship, any 21, 22 already.
21, fixed on 21/1/2020. That will.
Obligement. Okay. Maybe the lordship, item number 5 may be fixed on 19 because on 9th I will be available. Item number 5.
Item
Already
10.
fixed on 9. It may be fixed on 19.
Item 10.
9.
9.
Sorry, 5. Already fixed on 9. 5. Yes. 19 lale. 19.
You want it on 9th?
Yeah, 19.
19.
Yes.
fifth, item 5, 9th of list. Don't worry. 91 only. It's fixed on 91.
May I please, your lordship. Item number 10, lordship.
Item 10.
Lordship, a report was called for, lordship. Whether any case has been registered against the petitioner or not.
Again,
Report-
similar.
Report not
Report.
received, my lord.
Not received.
Not received. My lord.
Interim was there, lordship.
Yes. Peruse the order dated 18/12/2025. A report was called for regarding any police case registered, but such report is not yet received. Await the interim order, right order dated 18/12/25 shall continue till the next date of listing. Fixed on
February.
21.
Lordship,
21,
Lordship, can it be on 27, lordship?
27.
27th of January. Interim may be full. Like.
May I please, your lordship, report was called for? None, please, lordship. 58 no. My lord, a report not received in this matter also, my lord. We will take, my lord.
Similar order we can.
Similar.
The report called for regarding details of any police case registered by the order dated 8/12/2025 is not yet received. Await and issue reminder. Stop. Interim order by the order dated 8/12/25 shall continue till the next date of listing. This is the matter on 22nd, 22/1. 22/1.
Lordship, after 26, Lordship, I will not available, sir. 27, 28.
27.
27.
27.
DBO, please.
May I please? My lord, here in this case, my lord, I will place for only the petitioner number 1. And I will not place for my lord petitioner number 2, my lord. Here in this case, my lord, some more petitioner granted bail, my lord. White order dated 10/12/25 and 17/12/25. So, my lord, PD may be called for, take this matter along with those AV number, and by this time I may be protected.
Petitioner number 1. No.
Tahanur Ali, my lord.
Only one.
Only one.
Tohinur Ali.
My lord.
Then we'll have to go back to the FIRs.
My lord.
Where is the FIR?
My lord, FIR is at page number, my lord, 11.
Page 11.
11. Some more anomalies happened, my lord, at Brahmaputra Biosam Private Limited, my lord. At the time of weighing the materials, my lord. So 2 more, my lord, FIR named accused persons granted bail, Novo Mohanto and Porosmani Das, and 2 more non-FIR named person also granted, my lord, interim. Page number 14 onwards, my lord.
This person is not named.
Not named. I am not named. My lord, kindly for a moment, page number 17, relevant person is at page number 18. These are non-FIR names.
Is it? So, page 18, you can take some Pramanik Polita and Poske Bosch. Para 2, 3, 4. It is submitted by the Learned Council that for the moment, can I record that or should I not record that? That for the moment he is seeking some interim protection for petitioner number 1, Tohinur Ali. And in support of the said convention has drawn attention of the courts to order dated 17/12/2025, passed in AB 2978/2025, granting similar relief. The present petitioner, the petitioner number one is not named in the FIR. Call for the case diary. Of what is the PS case number? Boko PS case
PS,
number 368 of 2025. However, in the interim, 25,000 funds have same conditions. And is it fixed on some date?
My lord, 19 along with AB number 291.
21.
My lord,
This.
1901
No, no,
26.
20.
Yes, my lord, 19. Huh?
This is fixed on this Sirajul Haq.
My lord.
Azizur Rahman,
My lord,
this time. It's fixed on 20th,
my lord, then fine.
on 2/01/2026.
My lord, by this time I will withdraw for petition number 2, my lord.
Arrest hold.
Arrest one. This is instruction.
That you wish, no,
My lord. Highly obliged.
please, January.
20. My lord, dated 21. 20.
28th January.
My lord. Highly obliged.
My lord, the FIR, they have not been named in the FIR. The petition number was the teacher of Zaparilug High School. And petition number 3 is the retired secretary of Water Resources Department. They are having a rented house at Sonapur, although they stayed at Simantapur. And some thief in the night, my lord, entered the rented girls are staying, my lord, of Kidney Hospital. Entered their premises, two thieves, my lord. One fled away and one was caught hold by some neighbors and my lord, the public. It is, FIR is at page 9, my lord. That with due respect, I humbly state that on so and so, in the morning around 6:30 p.m, toll-free number so and so, leading from Hatimura region receives one urgent phone call therein informing about that suspected person was being assaulted by local people in that area. That immediately after getting the call, the toll-free staff rushed to the police of occurrence and after reaching saw that at the rented house owned by Mrs. Sarmila Boro, she is staying at Simantapur, Guwahati only, Assam, that a thief coming into the tenant house of the rented building was apprehended by the local people and badly injured him by assaulting. That the injured person was apprehended by taking in police custody and immediately to him admitted to Sonapur District Hospital. Then after in the evening of improved treatment, he was referred to GMCH, Mahanagar Hospital, taken on Jameson, Dr. declares him brought death. In the said incident, the below named staff of the Marriott Resort, so and so. So, my lord, some neighbors and public beaten him, my lord.
He is the owner of that rented house.
Owner of the rented place. She inherited that land from her mother and she constructed a building and given on rent. And they, my lord, stayed at my lord Simantapur, Guwahati. So, my lord, police is again and again calling them to the police station. That's why, my lord, I have come and keeps it repaired. They have not directly or indirectly involved in the incident, nor they are named in the FIR, my lord.
And so, yeah, Learned Council, and yeah, also.
Well, the case of moral policing actually. The case of moral
But they have
Mob
policing,
lynching.
but they are
Mob lynching.
Next down-
mob lynching, mob lynching, mob lynching.
Mob lynching. These are,
Otherwise, not FIR name, my lord.
let her record the statement.
My lord.
Yeah, but so, please. So, 482 bail application in connection with Punapur PS case. Punapur PS case number 216 of 2025. The allegation in the FIR dated 28/12/2025 lodged by ASI Samin Nath is in which the main allegation is that one person suspected to be a thief was assaulted by people leading to injuries and subsequently he died. It is stated that it is stated that the said person allegedly went into the had gone into the tenanted house of one Sharmila Boro for purpose of committing theft. 7 persons are named in the FIR. The present petitioner, the present 3 petitioners are not named in the FIR. The petitioner number 1 is Sharmila Boro, stated to be the landlord of the said rented house. It is submitted that though the rented house belongs to her, she is a resident of Srimantapur in Guwahati. Call for the case diary of so and so. However, in the interim, in the event of their arrest, 25,000 each, subject to the condition, cooperating investigation, appear for making themselves available for examination. Hamper of evidence. Is the matter 29, 28 or 29?
29.
29. 29 months.
Wait, please, my lord, I may be allowed to withdraw this petition.
You want to withdraw?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Miss,
61.
your good name, please.
P. Devi, my lord.
P. Devi. P. Devi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, seeks to withdraw this bail petition. The prayer is allowed. Bail petition stands disposed upon withdrawal.
Please tell us. My lord, charge sheeted matter, my lord, and one.
My lord, here, my lord, scan copy receipt, my lord. We need some time, my lord, to go to the PCR, my lord.
Just a minute. Looking for me.
NDPS, no.
No NDPS, my lord. NDPS now.
Definitely. Side.
You want some time to go through it?
My lord. Most ID.
Up to date status report is received, my lord. It is flagged as R.
My lord, record is available here, my lord, but we are not able to go through that.
You filed some additional affidavit also.
My lord, this is regarding the whether I have a next charge sheet, my lord, not FIR. However, FIR is on record, my lord. PCR is received. So I think, my lord, there is no necessity to this. Because FIR is already is in record. So when the investigation is completed, CS is filed, my lord. Everything before your lordship, my lord.
Just a minute. Yes. I'll give you time, don't worry. The victim is alive. He survived.
Alive.
He survived.
Survive, my lord, it is only a little, my lord, injury.
Not so much as stated.
Not so much. Even my name is not in FIR also, my lord. Subsequently, I was arrested, my lord.
Grievous injury. Anyway, you go through it.
FIR is on May, my lord, and I was arrested on July, May.
Nice. Mr. Boyso?
My lord, his contention is, I think, only on section 48.
No.
No.
My section, my lord, prolonged detention, my lord, 171 days. My lord.
Okay, my lord, then I will go through that. I will go through.
What 16? 16, my lord, same, my lord. Co-accused of the item 15.
In this case, charge sheet submitted.
Lords of kindly pass over the matter for a time being. Long let's. Any lordship. The lordship kindly pass over the matter for the timing, your lordship. 19.
Doctor, may it please your lordship. It's a regular bail, my lord. Diary was called for. The lordship will find the FIR at page 13, my lord, 13.
Okay.
My lord, I have narrated the fact, my lord. If your lordship will kindly turn to page 4, my lord, paragraph 6, my lord. Page 4, paragraph 6, my lord. May I read, my lord? That the petitioner begs to state that the fact is that the informant and his close friend Shah Ahmed had borrowed money of rupees 7 lakhs from the accused Shah Alam Mazharpur for business purpose, but they could not return the money timely. So the accused requested the informant and his close friend again and again to return the money, but they did not agree to return the money. Consequently, on the incident day, an altercation took place among them regarding money at so and so, my lord. My lord, I am not, my lord, that my lord Shah Alam Majumdar, my lord, Barbhuya, my lord, Shah Alam Mazharpur. So he approached this court, my lord. He obtained, my lord, anticipatory bail, my lord. Can I place that order, my lord? Yes. So this is paragraph 4, my lord. Is
Okay.
and the present petitioner are behind the bar, my lord, behind the bars for last 41 days, my lord.
Right.
I'm praying, my lord, on
He's not named in FIR.
not named in the formal. He is these present petitioners, my lord, was with along with my lord, that Shah Alam, my lord. Definitely, my lord, there are some altercation, my lord, something happened, my lord, but that, my lord, kidnapping is not there, my lord.
And ransom, that's not true.
That's not there because I owe money some 7 lakhs, my lord. That has not been cleared. On the land of detention, my lord, 41 days today, my lord. The rest, my lord, I leave it to my friend.
He was along with the main accused.
Shah Alam.
Shah Alam, Lordship, with other persons who are there, Lordship. This and so 183 statement of the victim, Lordship, they said that yes, they have assaulted also and demanded rupees 7 lakhs. And some business transaction purpose there, Lordship. And snatched the money from him, Lordship, 11,000. Lordship. 183 statement is there of 2%, Lordship. Lordship can go through this. He was one of them.
Oh, I go ahead. Heard NJ Doctor, learned counsel, and if you go some learned additional people. State. The two petitioners herein, namely so and so and so and so, are seeking regular bail under 483 BNSS in connection with Silchar PS case number 1164/2025. The case arose out of an FIR dated 22/11/2025. 22/11/2025. The gist of the allegations in the FIR is that the informant, along with his friend Shahan Ahmed, had come to Silchar for some work, and thereafter they were one Shah Alam Mazharpur came in another vehicle and made him sit inside the vehicle, and thereafter he was taken to various locations, and the persons demanded to be 7 lakhs from him for his release. Stop. It is alleged that the persons had kidnapped him for ransom. Mr. Dr. Learned Counsel drawing attention to para 6 of his bail petition states and submits that the informant and his friend Shahan Ahmed had borrowed 7 lakhs from the FIR named accused Shah Alam Mazharpur for business purpose and was not returning it despite request. And in the context of the same, there was some altercation, whereafter, with false allegations, the FIR was brought. The present petitioners, they are named or not named? They are named.
They are named.
They are named.
They are named. They are named. They are named.
The petitioners were arrested on 22/11/2025. The case diary has been received. And the learned additional PP submits that investigation has revealed that they demanded 7 lakhs from this person, from the informant, and used force against him. Peruse the statement of 2 witnesses who's recorded before learned JMFC during investigation. Per se, the investigation has revealed some implicating materials against the against the petitioners as well. Against the petitioners, against the accused persons, with regard to the allegations. Nevertheless, I also find that the said aforementioned Shah Alam Mazroubian was granted interim protection by the order dated 16/12/2025 in AB 2940/2025. Considering the length of detention and the circumstances from which the present case appears to have arisen, I am of the considered view that the petitioner should be granted bail at this stage. In such view of the matter, 30,000 with 1 security. We shall cooperate with remaining investigations, shall not hamper or temporary evidence. Return case there.
Well, to the satisfaction of my lord, CJM
Concerned
Khadar
level-
Silchar.
CJM Kasar Silchar.
Obliged, my lord, deeply obliged.
May I please, Lord, can be taken after some time, my lord? Something? Yes, Lord. Obliged, Lord.
One second.
Time being 17.
Well, in this case, my lord, petitioner is behind the bar in his own case, my lord, with effect from 10/10/25, my lord. It is
Shown
not-
case.
Yes, my lord. Already 156 days, my lord. Allegation is of sitting, my lord. With a view to install, my lord, some, my lord, tower line, that was the allegation, my lord. He took money of rupees 7,50,000, FIR pays 13, my lord. 156 in this case? Yes, total already, with effect from 27/7/25. He is in jail. And in some case, it is 10/10/25.
Please, in this case, today 89 days.
In this case, 89 days.
89 days.
Yes, ma'am.
The charge sheet submitted in this case.
Charge sheet submit. He's not from our state, Assam. He's not from Assam. This person.
He's not from Assam.
From UP.
Yes, madam. EP, but 47 my lord, allegation is that my lord 420, etc. my lord. But here it is a new section, it is sitting, inducing, and the informant, my lord, who is also the one of the additional deputy commissioner, he has lodged this as a my lord. Why he has, my lord, to give invested money, my lord. Earlier case, maybe, my lord, some was there, my lord. Here I have annexed the earlier case order also.
Yes.
He was granted bail. Last page, my lord, 24.
The only thing is that since he's from outside, but
Okay.
there is some concern about his.
Yes.
appearance. But at the same time, we cannot keep him.
He may be allowed to.
Person in detention.
Yes, ma'am. Thereafter, my lord.
Conditions have to be.
Yes, my lord.
Heard as the H. Das Learned Council and DP Goswami. Full stop. The
So my, charge sheet is submitted in this regard, so my objection will be recorded in this regarding the.
call for the. Sorry, the petitioner is seeking regular bail in connection with Haflong PS case number 59/25. under section so and so. He was arrested on 10/10/2025. The allegations in the FIR dated 26/7/2025. Is inducing the informant to make some investments with regard to certain companies.
IPO share,
By way of IPO shares
Mijilox Petroleum and Fuels Private Limited.
and subsequently, and that he subsequently come to know that he had been cheated.
Yes.
The case diary was called for, but it is submitted by learned additional PP upon instruction that in the meantime, investigation has been completed already and resulting in a charge sheet against the petitioner. The petitioner happens to be from the district of Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh. In view of completion of investigation and also the length of detention, I am of the considered view that the petitioner should be granted bail, subject however to suitable conditions. In such view of the matter, can you give one local security?
Yes.
50,000 with two securities of the like amount. One of the securities should be from the state of Assam. Following conditions are imposed. Number one, he shall not abscond. Number two, he shall be available for trial if one commences. He shall not hamper or tamper evidence. He shall not intimidate or try to influence witnesses or the informant. The bail petition stands allowed and disposed of.
I will ask him. Evidence.
None had appeared on the last date also.
Yes, coach. Substitute something discussing in
They
the
have abandoned the Council of Medical Registry.
substitute submitted, so that's why.
Just not yours. You got arrested on 3/11. 3/11. Did they get, have they got statutory bail in the meantime? 3/11, 3/12. 60 days is over. 60 days over.
Substitute submitted dated on 26/12/25.
So we'll dispose it of that. You'll approach to law. If they have already got it. None appears for the petitioner on call. So, on the last date also, none had appeared for the petition. The third learned additional with D.P. Goswami, who submits that the case has already resulted in a charge sheet after completion of investigation. In view of the same, the bail petition is disposed of with the observation that the petitioner is at liberty to seek regular bail from the learned court below. Bail petition stands disposed of.
May I express your lordship? Your lordship was pleased to call for the
Yes.
very
Yeah.
bystander.
No problem.
Yours. Already behind bar for your lordship 35 days, your lordship.
We've communicated and personally communication of made also. Number 47
There he has come.
not received. of.
Day before yesterday, your lordship has fixed it, your lordship. Already behind bar for 35 days, your lordship. And my basic ground was that, your lordship, this is a case, your lordship, where your lordship, the maximum punishment being 7 years.
Notice.
They could not have arrested me without issuing 35 notice, your lordship.
That was the basic ground, your lordship. And your lordship, from the forwarding report itself, your lordship will find that they have not stated any reason as to why they have not complied with section 35(3), your lordship.
Where? Page?
Page 26, your lordship.
Otherwise, what is the allegation?
Allegation, your lordship will get
False
it at
certificates.
page.
False certificates.
False certificate. And in fact, your lordship, 3 persons are named, your lordship. And I have shown on the last occasion, your lordship, that in fact, I myself is a victim of this fraud, your lordship. Your lordships may
I
kindly
remember.
come to page 38.
Okay.
I took affiliation.
Affiliation. Anyway,
Lord.
so Nalbari PS, it has not
Nalbari
come.
PS.
Nalbari. Well, let us take a chance on Friday.
Not
And we'll take a decision.
Lordship.
On Friday.
Otherwise, your lordship, 35(3) point on Apex Court judgment is very clear, your lordship.
And this is the relevant page. Just mark it. Regarding the notice, which page should I see?
Lordship, the page, your lordship may kindly come to page 26. That is the forwarding report, your lordship.
Yeah, these I have seen. Oh,
Lordship.
grounds of arrest. have been-
Lordship, grounds of arrest is there, but your lordship, not your lordship reason why 35(3).
Checklist.
Lordship,
Checklist is not there.
not there, your lordship.
Detailed grounds, reasons, anyway.
Lordship.
Yeah.
And already thoroughly interrogated, your lordship, 5 days police custody, and your lordship, probably further custodial detention is not required, your lordship.
Can we get the case diary on Friday?
Okay.
The case diary is not yet received. It's the Mr. Watercourt Learned Council drawing attention to page 26 of the bail petition, and the annex document therein reiterates his submission that considering the sentence pertaining to the alleged offences within bracket, not more than 7 years, bracket close. There is no compliance with the mandate of section 35 within bracket 3 BNSS, which requires the investigating officer to provide notice before arresting in such cases. And if no notices, if arrest is made without such notice, then reasons thereof has to be given, as submitted by the learned counsel for the petition. Issue reminder for the case diary of Nalbari PS case number 338 of 25. The prosecution shall endeavor to procure the case diary on the next day. List the matter on 9/1. Take a chance on 9/1.
Because your lordship, Bihu vacation is also coming. your
9/1 will take it.
lordship. Oblige.
I'm sorry, I was not there. No, here, it's a regular bail, my lord, the case diary was called for, my lord. Just a minute. My lord, here, my lord, offense under, my lord, 318(4) and 316(2), my lord, both, my lord, below, both 7 years, my lord. My lord, here, page 13 is the FIR. Allegation in brief is that, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, accused person, he happens to be the in-charge manager of the Ascot Bank, my lord, Hailakandi branch, my lord. And lordship knows, my lord, that Ascot Bank, my lord, it went into liquidation, my lord. So, my lord, thereafter, my lord, what happened, my lord? The allegation is that some person, agents, they collected money, my lord, from the depositors in spite of that liquidation process, my lord. Now, thing is that, my lord, petitioner is the manager, my lord, in charge, and possibly he is not directly or indirectly involved because he was not aware regarding the collection of money by those persons, my lord. Now, my lord, page 13 is the FIR, my lord. And the accused before lordship, he is around 60 years, my lord. And
Can you read the FIR?
FIR, yes. My lord, page 13, my lord, most respectfully beg to state that we, the undersigned, are the consumers of Ascot Bank. After opening the account in the said bank, we have been depositing our money since long. The below mentioned accused is the manager of the said bank. He collected money from us through different agents, but from the last month of February, the authorities stopped to provide maturity. When we asked for the reason, they told that presently the audit is going on and therefore the maturity could not be provided. But they continued to collect money from us regularly. But but a few days later, they fled away by closing the bank. Thereafter, when we tried to contact them, they avoided us and also did not also not receive phone call as when we call. But today, that is on so-and-so 3/12/2025 at around 12:30 p.m. We found the below mentioned accused at so-and-so bazaar and we asked him to pay our money. He refused to return our money and started to show different excuses. What happened, my lord? Then all people accosted him, my lord. So police came, my lord, to save him from public fury. He was arrested. Now, my lord, even here, my lord, on merit, he is already there for 36 days, my lord. And my lord, here that compliance of 35(3), it is not there, my lord. Lordship, may kindly have a look at page 20, my lord. Because, my lord, checklist also we have annexed, my lord. What are the facts or reasons that the accused, my lord, the investigating officer came into that belief that he would abscond or he would commit other offense? That is not there. So page 20 is the forwarding report, my lord. These are the grounds, my lord. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And reasons to arrest that lord should find. Last, my lord, to prevent such person from committing further offense. Then, my lord, page 21, lord should find, my lord, for proper investigation. And he would evade, he would abscond, he would avoid the legal process. Page 21, lord should find, to prevent him from causing evidence of the
Actually,
offense.
unlike the 47 notice, if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
understand correctly, the 35 notice is the notice which is the court has to be satisfied.
Yes,
right?
my lord. On
Before
the
giving-
basis of the
giving
report,
remand.
yes, on the basis of the report submitted by the that checklist, my lord. And that checklist we have
The
annexed.
notice has to be given, or if notice is not
Yes,
given,
without notice.
he is
notice-
arrested,
Yes, yes.
suppose without notice,
Yes.
then he has to give the grounds.
Yes,
And
check.
that the grounds, the court has to be satisfied
Yes,
about
my
that.
lord.
But 47 notice, the grounds, proper grounds
Has
have
to
to
be
be
there.
conveyed to the accused.
Yes, the
arrested
accused has to file a proper bail
But
application.
these grounds have to be for the court,
Yes, my
for
lord.
the court, right?
And IO has to give those grounds in the checklist and check.
Checklist has to be produced and
Yes,
the
ma'am.
has to be satisfied.
Yes, ma'am. The checklist we have annexed, if you also kindly have a look at.
Anyway,
that.
the diary has come.
Yes, sir. The
Let's see.
checklist, madam, page 32
On
once.
merits also.
All mechanical because yes,
One problematic thing which has been mentioned in the forwarding and the grounds of arrest is that he was collecting money from the people even after the formal closure of the bank.
possibly he
That
was,
is the alleged.
that is the allegation, possibly not because, my lord, here kindly everyone knows, my lord, there was a, kindly have a look at page 28, that is his identity card, my lord. Page 28 once, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, lord should find page 29, that notice, my lord, liquidation process, my lord. Page 29. And there was a paper, my lord, notice also that lord should find, my lord, page 30. That is the translation and the SMS in 31. So possibly, my lord, our instant, he did not collect, some
Janam.
agents may have, my lord. And the police also, my
Some
lord,
agents may have.
and police also to possibly save him, my
February
lord.
2025.
And kindly have a look at the checklist, my lord.
Hmm.
Once, my lord, page 32, my lord. All, my kindly see, my lord, yes, 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 under what facts, under what material, that 32 and 33, my lord. This is mechanical, my lord. And even they sought police custody, that was rejected by the learned court, my lord, because everything is based on documentary evidence. That also lord should find at page 27, my lord. The observation of the learned court, my lord, that police custody is not necessary, my lord, because it is mainly documentary evidence and the IO can interrogate him in judicial custody, my lord. Anyway, well, he is there for 36 days and there is non-compliance. And there are several orders we have annexed, my lord. Should I place it or not necessary, my lord? And lordship's order is also there, my lord, on that count, my lord. Other orders we have annexed, my lord, that is, my lord, that it starts from page 34. Several orders we have annexed, my lord. And if your lordship may kindly look at once page 41, my lord, that Ernest Kumar, we have Ernest until, my lord, until that paragraph, my lord. 11.3 and 11.4, my lord. 41, my lord. And one of your lordship's order, my lord. Otherwise, orders I am not going into it, my lord. Lordship's one order, lordship may kindly bear in mind.
11.3 and 11.4.
Yes, my lord.
This has to be given, the magistrate has to see. But anyway, so
And lordship's order, kindly have a look once, my lord.
page,
That we have provided before, lord. That is there, my lord. There, my lord, lordship kindly turn to para 5, my lord.
same case,
Yes, my lord. No, my lord.
different case.
para 5 and your para 5, 6 and 7, my lord. Length of detention, 36 days. Accused is 60 years, my lord. Offences are 7 years maximum punishment and non-compliance of that 35(3), my lord. And on merit, possibly he or he did not collect the money, but he was a manager. So agents collects money, possibly, and to save him from that public fury, my lord, the police apprehended him. my
So he
lord, to
was the
save him.
manager of the bank and people deposited the money through the agents, Pablo Oscar, Milan Das, Busa Dev, Subhas Das. So it is stated that yes, they have deposited the money through these agents. And when they are not providing the maturity, they have after some time,
They got angry.
they will get angry. And one day when in the marketplace, they asked the manager when the bank was closed by the staff and the public lordship. Asked the manager, he couldn't give any proper reply. Why they have not? Then they have handed over to him to the police.
Like, liquidation process started, so my lord, bank, my lord, that was the difficulty.
As per his statement, he was not well aware of the fact that they have collected money after the closure of the banks. The statement of the witness stated that they suspected that the manager is involved in this case.
Suspected.
The Bengali language, কিন্তু কলেক্টৰ অধ্যমতে ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী 2025 পৰ্যন্ত আগেৰ দিনে ধৰে আমাৰ কাছে টাকা সংগ্ৰহ কৰে উক্ত মেনেজাৰে জড়িত থকা ধাৰণা হয়।
Heard H. Chaudhary and DP Gosam. Invoking 483 BNS, the petitioner so and so is hereby seeking regular bail in connection with Hailakandi PS case number 173 of 25. He was arrested on 3/12/2025. And two persons as informants had submitted an FIR dated 3/12/2025. The gist of the allegations is that they are consumers of Ascard Bank, and after opening their account, they have been depositing their money in the bank. The present petitioner is stated to be the manager of the said bank, and money has been collected through various agents. Subsequently, they could not provide the matured amounts, and thereafter started avoiding them. It is further alleged that on 3/12/2025, in the afternoon, upon finding the present petitioner in a bazaar, he was asked about the money, but he started giving excuses, whereupon he was handed over to the police. Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel, submits that the petitioner was indeed the manager of the said bank, which had gone into liquidation, and with regard to which newspaper notice was also given. Including newspaper notice was also given, including in vernacular, full stop. The copy of the same has been annexed with the bail petition, full stop. It is submitted by the on behalf of the petitioner that he's not involved in collecting any money after the liquidation of the bank. Full stop. The learned counsel has also drawn attention of the court to the relevant annex documents and submitted that the notice, the grounds of arrest do not meet the stipulations under section 35(3) BNSS. Full stop. The case diary has been received. The learned additional PP submits that from that the state, in the India statement, some witnesses have stated about their suspicion that the manager may be involved in collecting money, in the agents may be involved in the act of the agents in collecting money even after closure of the bank. Full stop. As already stated above, the petitioner counsel has submitted that the manager did not denies his involvement in collecting money after the closure of the bank. And if some agents had illegally done so, he's not aware of this. In the given facts and circumstances, and also keeping in mind the length of detention, I am of the considered view that the petitioner can be given bail at this stage. According 30,000 at 1/7. Cooperate with remaining investigations, and he shall not hamper or tamper dealings.
Much obliged, madam. To the
Return
London
back-
CZM.
Return back the case to CZM.
Hailakandi.
You can take back this if you want.
My
What
lord,
do you want? Or
much obliged.
dispose of.
Number 4 and 57. Thank you.
May I please? In this case, Lordship, the petitioner has not placed this case. They have want to withdraw this. So they have submitted one communication to me
Okay, no.
to withdraw.
And 57 also,
Yes, Lordship.
both of them.
Both the cases.
Your good name,
A. Chetri, Lordship, on behalf of petitioner.
A. Chetri, Learned Counsel. The hearing for the petitioner submits that through a written communication. Should I keep it?
Yes.
Through a written communication, the
Okay.
petitioner have instructed to seek withdrawal of this bail petition. The prayer is allowed. The bail petition is disposed of on withdrawal. Fifty-seven also same order.
Obliged.
Disposed.
No, please, your Lordship. Lordship, this matter, Lordship, on the last occasion, Lordship have passed an order, Lordship. The written explanation was also sought for. Today again, Lordship, nothing has come up.
No, sir, in this case, 21, no?
21.
Charge sheet is submitted in this regard.
But he did not submit any explanation of
We have communicated to him to made explanation, but
nothing.
yes, the communication was made on dated 19/12/25. Charge sheet and dated that charge sheet has been forwarded on that communication is made, the charge sheet is submitted and
He avoided cleverly.
yes.
That's interesting.
The communication was made from our side, Lordship. I have also communicated him to
Yeah.
personally, Lordship. To make an application regarding explanation, Lordship.
Was it received in between?
Was received on Lordship Day,
23 January only it was given. Interim
but
of-
received earlier is a charge sheet copy of Sarkar.
Like,
We
is
have
that-
received on.
I think it was received. Yes, yes, it was received. 27/11 it was sent back.
Earlier received that is there received.
I think so. What is the allegation?
So the FIR says, Lordship, I am the, may I read the FIR, Lordship?
We can have a look at the FIR briefly. Wasting much time.
103,
103 was there.
3 and 5. I have appeared in
Then yes,
Indian years
on 2525.
on 2525. I was on interim. And I have also appeared on 95 lordship. 25.
He killed his own father.
No lordship.
The other, his elder son, Vitupan Kurmi, and nephew, Jantutanu came and started keeping so and so. Second wife of Joladhar Kurmi. This one.
Yes,
Let us read
lordship.
the FIR.
I am the friend of this who have killed him, lordship.
Yes, yes.
Allegedly killed lordship.
Allegedly killed.
I am the friend, lordship. I was in the park, lordship, logging. I have seen that son has dragged his father,
No
and later on I got to know that he has died from heart attack, lordship. I am not related, lordship.
Mhm.
As because I am the friend, that's why my name has been put into it.
I see. Anyway, it could have been disposed of long back, actually, long back. It was unnecessarily kept pending, but he should have. Liberal otherwise, but they should follow certain things, isn't it? There's a direction of the
Yes,
court, high court, and you give an explanation. You do not comply also. Anyway,
I am cooperating with the investigation, lordship.
heard, so, Mr.
A Mena, lordship.
And DP Goswami, invoking 482, the petitioner seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Golaghat PS case number 190 of 2024. In the FIR dated 20th September 2024. Lodged by Janmoni Bora, it is alleged that she is the second wife of the deceased Jaladhar Kurmi and staying in a separate accommodation in Golaghat. And one day, while her husband came to give her some monthly amount, his elder son Bitupan Kurmi and nephew Joyanta Kurmi came and assaulted her husband, and as a result of which her husband died. The case diary was, as called for, was once received, but it was sent back for updation and also for FSL request. Okay, the bail petition has been pending since January 2025, and last several dates the case diary was the case diary which was called for again was not received. On 17/12/2025, a fresh reminder was directed to be sent for getting the case diary along with FSL report. And in para 7, right, para 7, the IO was also directed to submit a written explanation as to why case diary has not been received despite elapse of so many dates. As a result of which the bail petition remained pending. However, no such explanation has been received from the IO. Full stop. Nor any communication received as to why he could not furnish any such explanation today. However, the IO has merely intimated through a written, intimated the prosecution through a written communication that investigation has been completed in that case. As the investigation, though the petitioner is named in the, he's named in the FIR.
Yes, sir.
Named in the FIR. Good stuff. But considering the fact that investigation is completed and the bail petition has been pending for a long time, I do not, I'm not inclined to keep it pending for them. Therefore, allowing this bail petition, it is directed that in the event of arrest of the petitioner. Oh, interim was granted, right?
It was granted.
The petitioner was granted interim bail by the order dated
2/5/25.
2/5/2025. The interim appearance bill granted to the petitioner right order dated 2/5/2025 is hereby made absolute. Subject to the following conditions, he shall be available for trial if one commences. He shall not hamper or tamper with evidence. He shall not in any manner intimidate, harass or influence witnesses or the informant. The bail petition stands allowed and disposed of on the aforesaid terms. I
Deeply
can send a
obliged.
copy to the.
Lordship.
Obliged.
No use.
Timing at a meeting.
May it please your lordship. The regular bail application, my lord, your lordship will kindly come to the forwarding report, my lord, which also has the gist of the FIR. Your lordship will find it at page 16.
16.
It's May I read it, my lord?
Yes.
The brief of the case, my lord, starts from brief of the case. On 19/11/2025 at 2:30 p.m., informant so-and-so lodged an Azahar at Bhogdoy OP under Jorhat PS to the effect that on 18/11/2025, accused unknown culprits had entered into the house of the complainant and has stolen away gold jewelry amounting to around rupees 30 lakhs. So allegation is of housebreaking and theft of jewelry worth 30 lakhs. Now, your lordship will kindly come to the grounds of arrest number 1. This is regarding my arrest, my lord. During investigation, it is found that the accused Krishna Chaudhary, now in judicial custody, received the stolen gold ornaments from accused Soriful Islam, who dishonestly purchased the same from the prime accused persons of the case, namely Suman Sharma, June Kolita, and Umokanta Naik, now in judicial custody at Central Jail, Jorhat. Later, accused Krishna Chaudhary illegally melted down the gold jewel ornaments and sold it to the arrested accused Biswajit Saha. Now, this is me, my lord, Biswajit Saha, at his jewelry shop under the name Priya Jewelries, located at Nagaon. So, my lord, some other persons, this Suman Sharma and all, they committed the theft. They sold it to Krishna Chaudhary. They sold it to Soriful Islam, who sold it to Krishna Chaudhary, who in turn sold it to me. That is the accusation. Now, next, my lord, during investigation, the melted gold around 0.113 gram was recovered from the possession and jewelry shop of arrested accused Biswajit Saha, alias Tony. So some gold was, this amount which prosecution has projected is 0.113 gram. But in reality, my lord, I have instruction that actually, my lord, gold in excess of 100 grams was recovered from my shop, my lord. And now your lordship will kindly come to page 23. I run a shop in Nagaon, my lord, and your lordship will kindly see the date. This is 24/11/2021, and I have purchased 102.350 gram of gold from Bikaner Gems and Jewelry. This is a GST invoice, my lord. So the presence of the gold, because I am a jeweler, my lord, their melted gold will be there, and this is accounted for by virtue of this document. Now, one more thing, my lord.
This particular gold, which was stated to be.
Yeah, that will be difficult to ascertain because it is melted gold, but we have account for purchase of 100 grams of gold. Now, these two persons, your lordship will remember, Soriful Islam and Krishna Chaudhary, who allegedly had sold the gold to me. Both of them have been granted bail by the learned additional session judge Jorhat. And I was just giving the orders, my lord. They were granted bail. One was granted bail on 17/12 and another on 20th of December, my lord. Lordship will kindly see Soriful Islam Krishna Chaudhary, last paragraph. The result of the case diary, it reveals that the investigation is going on and there is no direct involvement of the present accused person, Soriful Islam, with the alleged offense of theft. The police ought to have issued a notice unto the accused under section 41A CRPC, corresponding to section 35(3) of the BNSS. Perusal of CD reveals that the accused person, Soriful Islam, is the resident of Samoguri, Nagaon, but CD is not clear that how he came to Jorhat and arrested by Jorhat PS, which is suspicious. So Krishna Chaudhary, my lord, was on remand, so his bail pair was not considered on that day. But subsequently on 2012, on the same grounds, Krishna Chaudhary was also granted bail. Now these two persons had allegedly sold the gold to me, and they have already been granted bail. I am in custody since, my lord, 4/12/2025. So that will be, my lord, 34 days, my lord, in custody. And I have, my lord, at least the document to show the gold which was recovered from my place is, my lord, accounted for. Considering the release of these two persons, length of detention and these documents, and at best, my lord, even if the prosecution's case is assumed to be true, this is at best a case of purchase of stolen goods, not the case of my lord,
411.
411, my lord, not the case of my lord housebreaking or committing theft by themselves.
Anyway.
No, my lord, subject to what my learned friend said.
Lordship, during investigation and going for case diary, Lordship, they found that the accused Suman Sharma, Jun Kolita, and Umakanta Naik, who have been arrested in connection with this case, Lordship, and as per their confessional statement, on 18/11/25 at the night, they trespassed into a resident of complaint Deepak Trust, Lordship. Johan and committed theft and stolen away gold ornaments, Lordship. Later, they have took the gold ornaments to Samaguri, Nagaon, and sold the same to the accused Shariful Islam, who is well known to them. And later on, Shariful Islam sold the ornaments to one accused Krishna Chaudhary. And Krishna Chaudhary sold the ornaments to, melted it down, Lordship, and sold the ornaments to this petitioner. And this petitioner is a jewelry owner, is a Priya Jewelers in Nagaon, Lordship. And earlier 4 and 5 times also cases, how do you say, sold the ornaments, melted gold to the petitioner, Lordship. That is the last of the case and allegations against the petitioner, Lordship.
My lord, since both Shariful and Krishna Chaudhary have been granted bail, I come in the chain, my lord, below them, my lord. And I've already spent, my lord, 34 days.
As per his statement, he is not well aware of the fact that he has always melted the gold, the stolen ornaments or stolen gold.
Investigation has progressed.
Investigation progress from all are aware of this regard.
There was
Some recovery of yet to be made, Lordship, but
some recovery.
some recovery.
In putting 483, the petitioner Vishwanath Sahaswani and is stoned, seeking regular bail connection with Jorhat case number 602/25. He was arrested on 4/12/25. The gist of the allegation in FIR dated 19/11/25 is that on the previous day, unknown culprit, unknown miscreant entered the informant's house and stole gold jewelry worth 30 lakhs and also disconnected CCTV. So the present petitioner was arrested during investigation. And the main allegation against him stated in the forwarding report is that this gold was some of the stolen gold was sold to the petitioner who owns a jewelry shop, and melted gold of 0.113 grams was recovered from him. So, Sir Nawaz Learned Counsel submits that two accused persons against whom there is allegation of having committed theft.
No, they had sold it. They had purchased it from the thieves.
And who had allegedly purchased the stolen jewelry from the miscreants and sold it to another person, have been granted bail by the learned additional session judge Jorhat. Good stuff. Is also submitted that the petitioner runs a jewelry shop and he is unaware of any such gold being stolen. Drawing attention to an invoice dated
24/11/2025.
It is submitted that he had purchased, the said invoice pertains to purchase of 102.350 grams of gold. The case diary has been received. Investigation stated to have progressed reasonably well. And it is submitted by the learned prosecution that investigation has revealed about recovery of some melted gold from the premises of from the shop of the petitioner. It is also clearly stated by the petitioner that in his statement, the petitioner has denied and expressed ignorance about the such gold being of stolen nature. Nevertheless, considering various aspects, including length of detention and progress of investigation, the present accused is allowed to go on bail of rupees 30,000, one surety of the like amount, to the satisfaction of the concerned learned CJM Jorhat, subject to the condition that he shall cooperate with remaining investigation, not hampered or tampered, shall not commit any illegal activities or offences. Return the case diary disposed.
I'm deeply obliged.
You want this copy back?
No, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? In this case, your case 11 is the affair. There's 30 petitioners, all are interim since 2011-2024. During pendency of the charge sheet submitted and teacher was called for teacher receipt. Case 11 is the affair. And there is affair and cross affair regarding running a parghat.
Parghat.
Parghat, Your
What's
Lordship.
Parghat?
Parghat is a ferry ghat, Your Lordship.
Ferry. Oh,
Both side received simple injuries, they are the affair and cross affair. And petition number 13 is the page 17 is the cross affair.
twelve petitioners, huh? Yeah,
13 petitions.
13 petitions. Yeah.
So TCR is received, Lordship, we need to go through it. Case diary along with the charge sheet, Lordship. All are interim, they are appear already. Interim granted at 2011-2024, long back.
24? Anyway. Again. Well, I forgot about it. Third, so and Mr. Islam. Islam and BP Goswami. There are 13 petitioners hearing, seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Dhubri PS case number 397 of 25. That's one section. The gist of the allegations in the affair is that there was a dispute with the informant side with regard to running of the ferry ghat, which was earlier settled with the help of local government. Subsequently, on the date of the incident, that is 30/10/24, in the morning, the accused persons in a planned way attacked attacked them with dowel, stick, etc., causing injuries. Mr. Islam submits that the narration in the FIR is exaggerated and that there was a dispute and also cross FIR, and the injuries, if any, are simple in nature, right? As per your instruction. The case is already charged. Scan record has been received. The petitioners were granted interim
2011-2024.
This 2011-2024.
24. Long back CD was not received interim.
Has not remained pending for so long. That would be, Mr. Goswami, we have to be careful. These things, it looks bad. Forget about somebody telling you or not. That's not on our own. It will look bad to keep a bail petition pending for more than a year, since 24. So we have to dispose it of whatever it is. Whatever it is, we have to dispose it of. They are in interim, pursuant to which they are stated to have appeared before the IO during investigation. In the circumstances, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that they shall be available for trial and shall not hamper or temporarily dividend, shall not misuse their liberty to commit any offense or illegal activities. Disposed of.
Published.
Not big. Just mention, please come. No problem.
It's a bail application under 438.
Subut koi debo. It's a mistake. Huh? Actually, okay. Mr. Handy.
FIR is in page number 21, my lord. Yeah, it's a FIR.
Yes. It's
Page 21, my lord. Offenses 3032 BNS. মানে সন্মান সহকাৰে আপোনাক জনাও যে AS চুৱেঞ্চৰ নম্বৰ ডাম্পাৰখন মোৰ নামত পঞ্জীয়ন আছে। আজিৰ পৰা প্ৰায় 4 বছৰ মান আগতে চামতাৰ ৰুবুলুদ্দিন আহমেদৰ যোগেদি 2 নং পদকীয়াৰ লগত মোৰ চিনাকি হৈছিল। এমাহ মান আগতে ৰুবুলুদ্দিন আহমেদে মোৰ গাড়ীখন 1 নং পদকীয়াত ভাড়া দিয়াৰ কথা কৈছিল আৰু সেইমতে মই 2 নং পদকীয়াৰ লগত মাহিলি 1.5 লাখ টকাকৈ মৌখিক চুক্তি কৰোঁ। যোৱা ইংৰাজী 27/11/2025 তাৰিখে মই মোৰ চুৰেঞ্চু গাড়ীখন মই নিজে চলাই 2 নং পদকীয়া ঘৰত আনি চমজাই দিওঁ। লগতে 2 নং পদকীয়াই কোৱা অনুসৰি মই গাড়ীৰ বেটাৰী দুটা খুলি পদকীয়া ঘৰত ৰাখোঁ। যোৱা ইংৰাজী চুৰেঞ্চুৰ তাৰিখে পুৱা 8:20 মান বজাত 2 নং পদকীয়াজনে মোক ফোন কৰি জনায় যে মোৰ উক্ত গাড়ীখন তেওঁৰ ঘৰৰ সন্মুখৰ পৰা কোনো অজ্ঞাত দুৰ্বৃত্তই চুৰি কৰি লৈ যায়। পিছত 2 নং পদকীয়াজনে ওৰাং আৰক্ষী থানাত গাড়ীখন চুৰি হোৱাৰ সন্দৰ্ভত এখন এজাহাৰ দাখিল কৰা বুলি জনায়। 2 নং পদকীয়াজনৰ এজাহাৰৰ ভিত্তিত ওৰাং আৰক্ষী থানাৰ আৰক্ষীয়ে গাড়ীখন চুৰি সন্দৰ্ভত অনুসন্ধান কৰাত মই জানিব পাৰোঁ যে যোৱা 3/12/2025 তাৰিখ ৰাতি 3 আৰু 4 নং পদকীয়া 1 নং পদকীয়াৰ 24 নম্বৰৰ চাফাৰী গাড়ীৰে 2 নং পদকীয়া ঘৰত আহি তেওঁ ঘৰৰ পৰা মোৰ ডাম্পাৰ গাড়ীখন চলাই লৈ গুচি যায়। 1 নং পদকীয়া ৰঘুলতিৰ আহমেদে বাকী পদকীয়াখনৰ লগত মিলি মোৰ গাড়ীখন চুৰি কৰাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ পৰিকল্পনা কৰিছিল। Now, my lord, here, the accused number 5, actually what he has done, he is not mentioned in the FIR. Here he is the petitioner number 3. And my lord, the police has asked that all the accused persons 3, 4, and 5 merely on suspicion. And
They are,
my lord,
3, 4 and 5.
3, 4, and 5.
Okay.
And what actually accused number 5 has done, this is not mentioned in the FIR also. What is the actually, what crime he has done?
Imran Hussain.
My lord, Nizam Ali.
Nizam Ali.
Nizam Ali.
Nizam Ali.
And as per the informant, the agreement was made between accused number 1 and 2.
Anyway,
So,
case diary will.
Yes, we will request, regarding the involvement of the petitioner.
Orang PS.
Orang
Call for the case diary of Orang PS case number. Heard Mr. M. Hendik and T2 Dosan. Call for the case diary of Orang PS case number 95 of 2025. Which viewers, the 3 petitioners here were arrested on, they were arrested on the same day, right?
my lord,
Same,
Same day.
6/12/2025. You can take a chance day after tomorrow, that's all.
my lord.
Day after tomorrow, 9/1.
My lord. The submission, my lord, our name is not in the FIR, my lord. It is said that some unknown person entered and looted rupees 15,000. This is the allegation. And what happened, my lord, subsequently, I have been arrested on 19/7. And
Just a minute, this is item 4.
item 15.
1560. Scan code. Okay.
My lord, the FIR was lodged in the month of May, my lord. Allegation, my lord, that some unknown person entered at night and looted rupees 15,000. And after making an injury. This is the allegation. Subsequently, my lord, in the month of July, I have been arrested.
Yeah.
And along with
May, then July you were arrested.
19/7, my lord, on 19/7. And altogether, my lord, 9 persons were arrested altogether. And out of 9 persons, my lord, 6 persons are in bail. Only I am, and another 2 persons are in jail. So my humble submission is that, my lord, since it is, my lord, I have been implicated by the co-accused statement. The person who has been arrested earlier, they made a statement on the basis of that I have been arrested. So in respect of the statement, my lord, the Tufan 6 said it has the no evidentiary value.
He's
What
not
about the-
named, he's not named in the FIR.
Not named the FIR. Nobody's seen that, my lord. Even, my lord, the complainant who has seen the incident, but she did not say anything that such person was, my lord, was in that area or that engaged in the incident. Nobody's seen, although the incident occurred before the complainant. It is in the FIR, it is in the charge sheet, my lord. And I have been implicated on the basis of co-accused statement.
And on that strength, my lord, now 172 days, charge sheet is already laid, my lord. Everything is on record. And 6 have been already been in bail, my lord. So under such circumstances, should I remain in jail, my lord?
Anyway. Mr. Boyster.
Yes, my lord. My lord, here in this matter, my lord, that is, though my lord, the TCR was called for, my lord, the entire my lord case diary is not available with us, my lord. To my lord find out that the statement of the co-accuser, admittedly there, my lord, I have flag mark all those, my lord, from where, my lord, as my learned friend stated, my lord, that is the allegation is there, my lord. And it is a case of dacoity, my lord, a gang, my lord, if my lord going through that.
Seriously.
And my lord, in those cases, my lord, if my lord, that is the we will apply, my lord, Tufan Singh, and Tufan Singh is a case, my lord, which is applicable in the case of, my lord, trial, my lord, not at this stage, my lord, bail. Admittedly, my lord, that is the CS's file, my lord, there are, my lord, some are, my lord, that is a CS, my lord, under section 331(8), 10(2), and 118(2). In both the cases, my lord, against my lord Fakhrul in my lord, and my lord Selim in my lord 15 and 16, all these are the same sections, my lord. Now, dacoity is, my lord, 310(2), my lord, of BNS, my lord. Now, my lord, there is cognizance, my lord, there is CS dated 5/10/2025 and cognizance taken on, my lord, 16/10/2025. Now, it is at the stage of, my lord, appearance, my lord, this case. But if my learned friend, my lord, give stress on that part, my lord, to find out the link, how it has come out, for that, my lord, entire CD is needed, my lord. Because, my lord, this entry and the entire part of the investigation is needed, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, FIR I have flag marked because my learned friend didn't, my lord, annex the copy of the FIR and it is in the vernacular, my lord. So, my lord, may kindly, my lord, have to bear, my lord, to go through the, my lord, that is the record, to go through the FIR, my lord. That is not annexed, my lord. Though earlier occasion, my lord, my lord, he, my lord, submitted before this honorable court, my lord.
FIR is before your lordship, and FIR story is mentioned in the charge sheet, my lord.
In
Charge sheet is laid on.
in vernacular, my lord, in vernacular, in my lord, that is the honorable High Court and my lord before the Supreme Court, my lord, the language, my lord, which is used, my lord, that is
My
as per
lord,
the
that I
constitution is the
can read.
English language, my lord, and my learned friend is very much aware. And after, my lord, on 15/12, there is a order of this honorable court where he submitted that he will file a, my lord, additional affidavit to keep the things on record, my lord. So now I leave it to your lordship, my lord.
And get the remaining materials that will see
Yes,
the
but
linkage.
I will leave it to that, my lord. But my lord, to find out, my lord, that is the linkage, my lord. I am unable, my lord, because my lord, those part of the, my lord, CD is not available, my lord.
My lord,
Otherwise, relevant part I have flag mark, my lord.
my lord, scan
All
the-
the orders, my lord. Now, my lord, last date was, my lord, 15/12/2000. Status report was, my lord, also called, my lord. There also that is available, my lord. Somewhere granted bail, my lord. Obviously, my lord, that is the sections are different in some cases, my lord.
My lord, in dacoity, minimum 5 persons is required if the contention is there.
The dacoity, robbery, these are very
Yes.
serious offenses because they have a
Right,
bearing on
right.
public safety.
Yes, but
My lord.
Very
So
important.
the allegation is that the 15,000 rupees were looted. Nobody is seen, my lord. My name is not in the FIR.
No,
Even
the amount, no, leave aside the amount for a
my
moment.
lord, what happened?
Now,
my
getting into someone's house at
This
night,
is-
my lord, and
threatening,
using weapon, my lord.
tying them up.
Person is injured, my lord.
After
Tying
2
them up.
months of the FIR, my lord, I
Getting
have been
them-
picked up by the police. So under such circumstances, what happened, my lord, even in the charge sheet, my lord, charge sheet was laid on 15/10/2025. In the month of October, the charge sheet was laid. Now, my lord, even for filing of the charge sheet, almost 3 months have been elapsed. So my humble submission, my lord, under such circumstances, should I be remain in jail 172 days? I will appear, my lord, each and every date before the trial court, my lord.
There are other factors.
Each and every date, my lord.
So, suppose we call for it, and which are the parts you?
My lord, this is the toka, my lord. That is these parts are not available, my lord. Only, my lord, that is the, my lord, statements of the accused and co-accused are there, my lord. The victim statements are there. These things are there, but the entire case diary is not available, my lord. To find out the link, how they got it, my lord, how they trace it, how they take the lead, my lord. So those parts are not available, my lord.
That will be better. The scan record has been received, heard, so and so. However, it is submitted by the learned additional PP that the complete case diary is necessary to see the materials, investigation materials with regard to the present accused, who is stated to be not named in the FIR. Both are not named in the
Not named, my lord.
not named in the FIR. The case arose out of an FIR in which the allegations were about entering the house of the informant at, and in the late hours, within bracket 1:30 AM, and committing dacoity under threat and coercion. Call for the, should I say remaining or complete set?
My lord, it will be complete set is my lord.
Call
and
for
it will
the
be better.
complete scan copy of the case diary from the learned court below, which is
My lord,
concerned
it is
learned
my
court
lord,
below.
my lord, the chief judicial magistrate, my lord, CJM is.
21, huh? Fix on 21?
It may be before vacate
But-
my lord if required.
Oh, how can you come in for that? 2 days only, no. Control. The very serious matters, anyway. 21 more.
20, deeply obliged.
Obliged.
But CD not received, my lord, in this matter.
Charge sheet, sir.
Charge sheet submitted.
So the morning
What is the allegation?
allegation under sections 189(4), 1182, 302, 3032, 109, Your Honor, PNS. Call it on interim, Your Lordship. 10 days time may be given, Your Lordship. I will appear before the trial court, Your Lordship, with appropriate bail petition. Till then, my interim be continued for 10 days. Your
And seek regular bail.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, my lord, we get a communication, my lord, charge sheet submitted, my.
Anticipatory bail.
Yes. Interim order is there?
Yes, sir.
Interim order is there.
10 days time may be given, Your Lordship. We will an appropriate bail application before the law.
1 minute, it's okay, no problem. For the petitioner was granted interim bail on 10/6/2025. Second and third paragraph to be already. Case diary was called for, but today the learned additional PP has submitted a wireless intimation received from the IO that upon completion of investigation, the case has already been charged sheet by Nagaon PS case number 634 of 2025, dated 29/10/2025. In view of the same, in view of the completion of investigation, this is an allegation of dacoity, but one person is named. The allegation of dacoity, but one person is named in the FIR, isn't it? So there might be something else.
Injury also.
Injuries. In view of completion, considering the facts and circumstances of this case and the completion of investigation, the interim bail granted by the order dated so and so is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the learned court below on the next date and subsequent dates be available for trial. They shall not hamper or tamper it with it. See, what you do is you appear and seek, you furnish fresh bail bonds.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it is
may be
absolute, absolute, but you submit
Yes,
fresh
Your
bail
Lordship.
bonds there. Make
Deeply
it
obliged,
regular.
Your Lordship.
Make it regular. In the event of arrest, but okay. This possible.
25.
25 also, my lord, CD not received, my lord.
Case diary is not yet received.
Interim is there.
Huh?
Interim in the middle.
Yes, yes. That will continue. Interim issue reminder for the case diary. The interim bail granted by the order dated. It was not order. 21/7/2025 stands extended till the next date of listing. This is the matter on 27/1.
27, my lord.
26.
Yes.
Your Lordship, CD has not been received.
You are for the informant.
My lord, CD not received, my lord. So-
You are for the informant, madam.
I'm for the informant.
Informed. Case diary not received.
Oh my God.
The case diary is called for not yet received. Issue reminder. Full stop. Interim bail granted by the order dated 11/8/2025. Signs extended till the next date of listing. List on 27. 27. now. Post off. Post off. After some time, nobody appears.
Maybe Lordship, anticipated bail application Lordship. Case diary was called for. The statement of the recorded Lordship. Case of 108 abatement of the suicide law. After 24 years of marriage Lordship. Previously no allegation against him.
Diary has been received.
Case diary received, my lord, along with the postmortem report, my lord. She committed suicide, my lord, by jumping in front of the railway, my lord. Then, my lord, against the husband, my lord, there are some allegations that, my lord, he used to demand dowry, my lord. And he's also having some extramarital relationship, my lord, but the case diary does not reveal so, my lord. The witnesses have not supported, my lord. And he has appeared his statement also
Okay, make
recorded.
it absolutely. Summary orders. You are Mr.
D. Lordship.
D. Circle and RJ Bora, Learned Council. On 9/9/2025, the petitioner was granted interim bail. 3, 4. The case diary has been received and the investigation is not yet completed. It's true. It is fairly submitted by the learned prosecution that though it was alleged in the FIR about the petitioner husband demanding dowry, etc. But the investigation materials so far do not seem to support that. In the facts and circumstances, there would be no reason not to make the interim bail absolute. Accordingly, the interim bail is absolute, hereby made absolute. Subject to the condition, we shall cooperate with the remaining investigation and shall not hamper and tamper with evidence, and shall be available for trial in the event of charge sheet being filed and trial commencing next. Okay. Okay, এটা submission করেছিল। Yes, pursuant to grant of interim, the petitioner is stated to have appeared before the eye.
My
Statement has been recorded.
Recorded, my lord.
And
Yes.
recorded. Statement is post of.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I am on interim and the petitioner has appeared before the IO.
In this case, no charge sheet has been submitted, my lord.
There was no charge sheet has been submitted.
Or নাম নাই দেখুন।
নাম নাই।
Use শুধু। তো তোমার নাম তো
মোৰ
use
নামটো
শুধু।
বেড আৰু এটা আছে তাত আছে এইটো ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰা নাই। এইটো অলৰেডি ডিসপোজেড। The case was registered on the basis of a GD entry, so the
Okay.
FIR is not available in the record.
GD entry, some obstruction of police.
Yes, yes.
When
Earlier, your lordship was pleased to grant bail in the other matter. That has been mentioned in the cause list along with the dispose of matter. Out of that, this case arise. From this case, that case arise.
Anyway, you Chaudhary, Learned Counsel, and RJ Borwa, Learned Counsel. 482 bail application, Neelam Bagar, PS case number 142 of 25, within bracket GD 20 of 23/9. Full stop. The petitioner was granted interim protection by the order dated
15/10/2025.
15/10/2025. He appeared.
Yes,
Person
he
who
appeared.
is stated to have appeared before the IO. The learned additional people submits that in the meantime, the case has investigation stands completed, resulting in a charge.
I charge sheet number, my lord, 120/2025, dated 30/10/2025.
In view of completion of, in the given facts and circumstances, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the same conditions. He shall be available for trial if one commences some hamper of temporary.
Oblige, your lordship.
This is the.
Well, item number 30, 42, and 48, my lord. Arising out of the same police station case, my lord. 30, 42, and 48.
And 29 and 29.
No, my lord. 30. 29 is already over, my lord.
Same as in the.
Ready to PS case same.
Oh, okay.
30, 42, and 48, my lord.
30,
Maybe
40,
taken up together. My lord.
42 1.
42 and 48.
48.
Lordship in 42, Lordship.
Your appearing.
Lordship, maybe today at zone, Lordship. Any date may be given, Lordship.
My lord, in this case, my lord, we have received the case diary, my lord, but postmortem report, but 2 persons died, my lord.
Just hold on, I'll decide. 48. You are for 40.
No, my right time is 30, but 30.
Please. Okay.
Well, in this case, we have received the case diary, my lord, but without the postmortem report and injury report, my lord. 2 persons, my lord, they succumb to the injuries, my lord, and my lord, there are other persons who sustain injury. So, my lord, the
But
postmortem
our
report.
case is, my lord, we are not present. We are 5 kilometers away from that place, my lord. Our case, my lord.
PM report is not there.
Not in the case diary, my lord.
An injury report is not.
Also not there, my lord.
It will be necessary, I think.
That will be necessary, my lord. So let all the matter maybe come up together, my lord, after the vacation immediately.
He is seeking adjournment in any case today.
After vacation, my lord.
After vacation, my lord. It will be no night.
The 23rd, we are.
This time.
What, after vacation?
After vacation, we retain the case diary, my lord. Only call for the injury report.
So, ma'am, it will be on 2-0, my lord.
The case diary has been received.
Lordship, item number 42, there is an interim, Lordship.
Interim is there?
Interim.
Wait, I'll come, don't worry. 30th order. Case diary has called for, has been received. However, it is submitted by the learned prosecution that the postmortem report, PM report, and injury report, injury/medical report are not available, and it would be necessary to peruse them for proper adjudication. Therefore, while retaining the case diary, call for the scan copy. You'll need scan copy.
No, my lord, we'll call for the PM or PM
Call for the
report.
PM report as well as medical/injury report.
My lord.
Case diary retained. This is the matter on
21, my lord. 21. 1.
20 or
21-1.
21, 1, my lord.
21-1.
1.
And 42. 47, who's appearing? 47.
I'm appearing
Yeah.
for 48.
Interim is there in 42.
No, only 42. 42, Lordship.
Only 42.
May I leave now, my lord?
Oh. 42. 42. The interim bail granted by the order dated 27/11/2025 shall stand extended till the next date of East. 21. The other one is also 21.
48, 41, 48.
30, 42, and 48.
40.
May I please, your lordship. Earlier, CD was called for, your lordship.
Well, we have received the case diary, my lord, but along with the medical report also, my lord. But that medical report is not clear, my lord. As to my lord, whether he sustained, my lord, simple injury or grievous. So this is the medical report, my lord.
Let me see.
This is a dispute among the family member. Lordship, there is a delay of 5 days, your lordship, regarding the land documents, your lordship.
Land document and land dispute.
Land documents. And there is a held a village বিচার, your lordship. In that village বিচার, some altercation took place. Both the parties, your lordship,
Different family, they are family members.
all are cousin brothers, your lordship, parental family, your lordship. Uncle, cousin brothers.
Injury is not clear, my lord. He sustained some injury in the forehead or my lord, in the shoulder, my lord. But whether, my lord, these injuries are simple or grievous, my lord, that is not clear, my lord. The 1% injury report is yet to receive.
Incident took place 4th September, FIR loss
Tenderness
on 9th
over
September.
Tenderness over shoulder, tenderness over chest. Stone. This much, I'm reading it, no external injury seen. These two you have also
That
seen.
is there.
In or on local examination.
My lord.
On local examination. But in expert, this word I cannot read.
My lord, in the above, my lord, the upper part, my lord.
Final report to be
Some injury in the skull or head, my lord, something is there, my lord.
where?
In the first injury report, my lord.
First injury report.
First one, my lord.
First of all, no. History of physical assault. Tenderness might. And what about victim statements are there?
The victim is otherwise implicated, my lord. They have implicated all the, my lord, 10 accused persons.
Adjacent house, your lordship, some village, your lordship, some quarrel took place, your lordship. And there is a free in between both the parties, your lordship. Same boundary, your lordship.
Saidul Islam, he is repeatedly stabbed with dagger, he says. You know, but,
False allegation.
appears to be tenderness over head, tenderness over shoulder, lower back. Soft tissue injury, soft tissue injury.
No use of sharp weapons, your lordship.
One,
At present, your lordship, both are
my lord, injury report in
referred
respect of,
amicably, your
in
lordship.
respect of one injured, my lord, that is yet to obtain, my lord. Only two injury report has been obtained, my lord. One is yet to obtain.
Victim Saidul Islam. Another victim is
Quarrel on the issue of land documents, your lordship. Now, both the parties are mutually and peacefully recited here.
they will not fight again.
They
They should not fight.
Visually sudden.
Regularly, say, as an pattern system. More गरम से लोग खाली आने के लोग grandfather माटी पे किसी काम करिश
Third.
Custodial integration may not be necessary, Lordship.
And RJ Borra. 1710 order, para 2 to value. There's no cross case, right? The allegation, the gist of the allegation.
This case also 5 days later, Your Lordship. It took place on 4th September.
9/9/2025 is about the accused persons in a group attacking the victims of the informant side and causing them serious injuries. Full stop. Case diary call for has been received. Investigation is continuing. It's not yet completed. It is submitted by the learned petitioner counsel that the accused and the informant side are family members, being family members and relatives, and there was a dispute between them over land documents, leading to altercation, and that the allegations are exaggerated. The case diary also contains statements of 2 victims in which they have stated about being assaulted and stabbed with sharp weapons, causing life-threatening injuries. However, perusal of the medical report of one of them indicates tenderness over head, shoulder, and lower back, soft tissue injury. Full stop. With regard to another victim, the medical findings are tenderness over head, shoulder, and chest. And it is also stated that no external injury on local examination. Yes. The given facts and circumstances allowing this petition is directed that 25,000 each. Cooperate with remaining investigation, shall not hamper or temper evidence, shall not misuse their liberty to commit any illegal activities or offences, or any breach of public order and security. Turn the case diary, bail petition stands disposed.
Time being at 27.
Twenty? 27. Did you have? Case diary not received, my lord.
Not received. Case diary, issue reminder for the case diary, which is not received today. It's the interim order, right order dated 2/9/2025, since extended till that next date of listing. List the matter on. When do you suggest?
22, my lord.
22/1.
Article.
Lordship, petitioner in interim lordship, he appeared lordship, and the case diary, up to date case diary was not followed, they along with his statement. FIR is page 10.
I've read. Bike selling, right?
Yes, lordship, and the petitioner is.
He appeared.
He appeared.
My lord, although my lord petitioner has appeared, my statement recorded, but there are sufficient materials collected against him, my lord. So my lord, IO has strong objection, my lord, granting him, my lord, absolute bail, my lord. Because my lord, he has not cooperated, my lord, although his statement has been recorded, my lord. But in fact, my lord, he is the person, my lord, who has manufactured all the false statement, my lord. And the stolen bike was sold to another person, my lord. By sending all
one bike or more bikes?
Yes, stolen bike was sent to some other person, my lord.
No, only one bike or more bikes?
No, that
Several
is
bikes.
in this case, in
One
respect
bike.
of only one bike, my lord. But he is a veteran, my lord.
Any other cases pending?
That is not mentioned in the
That's
my
not
lord.
mentioned.
Case diary, my lord.
I can have a look at the bail.
Yes, my lord.
Zoom that.
Inspector Lordship is LIC agent Lordship, and he knows the person who has Lordship purchased the bike Lordship. FIR is Lordship.
What the investigation says that he's involved in this activity.
My lord.
He's involved in this activity.
Yes, yes, my lord. His involvement is there, my lord. That is one.
Bail objection.
That is, my lord, what has been found, my lord. As on that, my lord, that has been mentioned in the case
Anyway,
diary, my lord.
2, 3, 4. The petitioner was granted interim bail on 28/10/2025. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that pursuant thereof, he appeared before the IO and his statement has been recorded.
Preparate Lordship. Custodial intervention may not be necessary.
Now, it was initially sold by Asan Ali
Yes.
Yes.
to Siddiq Ali. And then
Even, my lord, the bike which was, my
Petitioner
lord,
is nowhere connected Lordship.
registered in the name, my lord, that is also all fictitious, my lord. That is why FIR has been lodged, my lord.
This was the allegation against the Hasan Ali and Siddiq Ali, and the petitioner's name is Azizur Rahman. He was never connected.
the case diary has been received with a elaborate bail objection. Stop. In which the IOS strongly objected to the to grant of bail by way of making absolute interim pre-arrest bail. The case diary also indicates significant investigation so far. Stop. Some transport people are also involved.
Transport people is also involved, my lord, but his part is important, my lord, what he has done, my lord. He has forged all the documents, my lord, which was used by the transport department, my lord.
I perused the bail objection submitted by the IO. It appears that the investigation has revealed sufficient incriminating materials against the present petitioner, indicating his involvement in forgery of documents regarding transaction pertaining to the stolen two-wheeler. The investigation has also found that he also produced two photographs to two wrong photographs. In the name of, in the name of the actual owner, Apurva Kumar Barma. Full stop. The IO has contended that investigation is continuing into whether there is any network of individuals involved in this alleged offences. Full stop. In view of these materials and contentions of the IO, which cannot be brushed aside lightly, I am of the considered view that at this stage, it may not be an appropriate case for granting pre-arrest bail, since investigation is still in progress. And therefore, vacating the interim order, the bail petition stands rejected at this stage. Return case date. The petition stands disposed of.
May please, your lord. In this case, my lord, initially the CD was called for, my lord, and CD has already been received, but subsequently, my lord, the postmortem report was called for, my lord. But that postmortem report will be necessary for consideration of the bail petition, my lord. Since as no metal is available in the CD, my lord, as per my information, my lord, in support of the involvement of the petitioner, my lord.
Entered into the house.
That order, interim order was passed on 31/10/2025, my lord, by a coordinate bench of this honor report, my lord. He is apprehending the prisoner is apprehending because his father and younger brother, they have been made an accused.
Oh, I see. He is not named.
No, my lord. He was carrying on his business, my lord, far away from the place of occurrence, my lord. On the date of the occurrence, my lord, he was staying at Udarban, which is far away from the place of occurrence, my lord.
So opinion regarding the cause of death is kept pending till the receipt of chemical analysis viscera was sent. And all the injuries were antemortem and caused by blunt impact. And injuries part was there in the postmortem report, Lordship, own part. And going to the statement of the witnesses and eyewitnesses of the one statement also taken recorded.
All these persons entered as per the allegations.
As per the allegations, all
including
the
ladies, including ladies.
Most part, I think most of all the named accused persons have already been arrested, my lord.
Not all, but one main
There has to be some dispute.
Yet to be arrested.
There has to be some dispute. Otherwise, that's all the persons, including ladies, entering the house and attacking. There might be some previous dispute, it seems. Anyway. Any materials pertaining? He's not named in the FIR.
Not named in the FIR, and going for statement of the witness and eyewitnesses also. I have not gone find his name, Mitu Ghosh.
Mitu Ghosh
is the petitioner before.
Mitu Ghosh, I have not found, not a single spring against the petitioner also by the witnesses. Other persons were named, Lordship. Lordship can then to go to case also. Probably his brother one, his Mission Ranjan Ghosh. His name is here, Lordship. Witnesses implicated him.
That I have always said, my lord.
Learned senior counsel, and DP Goswami. The petitioner was granted interim bail on 31/10/2025. There are 2, 3 to full stop. As many as 14 persons are named in the FIR, including some,
including the father and this younger brother.
Woman, full stop. In the FIR dated 4/10/2025. The present petitioner is not named in FIR. The case diary has been received. The learned prosecution fairly submits that upon perusing, no incriminating materials, any significant incriminating materials has come to notice regarding the present petition. Investigation, however, is in progress. In the circumstances, I do not deem it necessary to cancel the interim bail. Accordingly, the interim bail is hereby made absolute, subject to the condition that petitioner shall render cooperation to the remaining investigation and shall not hamper or tamper to be deferred. He also appeared, no? Was from, he appeared, must have appeared after,
Yes, sir.
after grant of interim. That I'll record also before his group.
He was granted interim on
Ma'am,
31/10.
10. That condition was imposed, my lord.
Otherwise, we will not say anything.
That perhaps, give me some time to check it out.
As per your instructions, he has appeared, sir. He has appeared as per your instructions.
No, up till actually, I have not received any
Let
information.
it,
Right.
will not say anything.
Obliged to, my lord.
He'll cooperate now. He'll
Well,
appear.
that I, my
He'll appear if he has not appeared.
lord.
Dispose of.
34.
May I please, your lordship?
This is the petitioner duly appeared before the ILOC after getting the interim protection.
What's the balance?
Well, we have not received the case diary.
Lordship, as per last order, Lordship, CD has already received.
Yes, George. When back, I think, yes, right. 1/12, 1st December.
It was received.
You had paid for some time as per the order. To go through the case diary.
In the meantime, they have taken back the CD.
Probably.
So he's an interim lordship, immediately after vacation lordship.
Yeah, it appears that the case diary has been returned back. The same updated case diary may be procured again for the next date. The interim bail granted by order dated 6/11/2025, right?
Yes,
6/11. Stands extended in the next date of listing. It is the matter on 27, 27/1.
DWS.
35.
Made please, my lord. 482 application, my lord. Case diary is called for, my lord. Last 3 times, my lord, case diary was.
I have not received the case diary.
Today also.
It's from Beregaon.
The case diary is not received today also, though the IO was directed to positively send it.
Yes.
On today, for today, full stop.
I have no interim order, my lord. There, my lord,
What is the allegation?
allegation, my lord, the fake currency, my lord. But my lord, from Caesar list, my lord, page 25. my
Difficult
lord.
to give interim and fake currency acquisition. Otherwise, other things being equal.
Page 25 is rejected.
Belgaum PS,
Beregaon PS.
what to do? Day after tomorrow, not possible.
It's very difficult, but we will try.
Fix it on 9th. Or after, if you can wait after vacation. After vacation. 19 or 20?
20.
20. 20.
38.
So, on the last occasion, Lordship, CD was called for, Lordship.
The CD was not received yet, lordship, CDs.
It is not received.
Petitioner is on interim lordship.
Issue, he's on interim. Issue reminder. Interim order dated last week, it has. Stands extended till the next date. List on
2801.
28/1.
Obliged,
28.
39.
Same prayer lordship. Petitioner is on interim. We have not received the case diary.
Jury report. You are for the informant?
Informant law.
Sir.
These are the
Mutual-
photograph is viewed by the esteemed lordship.
Medical report will also be necessary, right?
Lordship. These are the.
Photographs are here, some, you have submitted on.
Yes.
Some sort, your photographs.
Brutally, he was attacked, your lordship. But in this case, and he, so far, our information, your lordship, is habitual, your lordship. And since he, this type of brutal attack and innocent person, yes, and vital part, you may observe the condition of the victim, your lordship. Considering this ground, Such person may not be.
There's a,
Lot of
is there a cross case? Is a cross case? No cross case.
Yes, Lordship. Cross case.
That's not raised.
We have also a photograph, Lordship.
It was not
The
registered.
victim person
Because
also
it's
attacked.
some, not cross case, it is mentioned like that, there's a similar
Cross case. Our
allegation
case
was
is
made from the
received,
other side
but
also.
not
Anyway,
registered, Lordship.
so I'll not touch the interim now. But case diary is not received, full stop. Issue reminder for the same. Along with case diary, case diary shall be sent, updated case diary shall be sent along with medical report. Applicant of case number 195 of 25. The interim order granted by the order dated 18/11/25 stands extended till the next.
My lord, we have instruction, my lord, there, charge sheet has been submitted.
So you have instruction.
Lordship.
Mr. R. Ali and S. Hussain learned counsels appearing for the informant side. And so you take instruction, it is also submitted by Mr. Ali, the learned counsel for the informant side, submits that as per their instruction. Perhaps charge sheet has been submitted in the meantime. So you take an instruction.
Yes.
Right? Or we are calling for the case diary in any case.
Again, and the
On reopening? No. So suggest a date, please.
21/201.
Okay, 21/1.
That's what I have.
21/1.
21 January.
Yes.
Oblast.
Oblast.
This is a short meeting.
Announcement of judgment. Criminal appeal 7 of 2022 relating to Tanagar bench.
I did not find any informative with the judgment of the learned court below, and therefore the same has been upheld. Therefore, the criminal appeal has been dismissed.
Obligor.
Yes. Let's do the remaining matters.
Article 41.
21. May I please, your lordship?
His diary is received.
Is they not receiving? As per it was.
Actually, as per past order, lordship, order dated 21/11/2025, lordship, report was called for, lordship.
Case is already search sheeted.
Lordship.
Report was called for regarding the petitioner and the search sheeted name is different.
Different, lordship.
That's why they have verified the
I
whether
see.
Kindly be paid order dated 21.
I see. Yeah. So interim order was granted?
Lordship.
Interim.
As
by
per order
order-
dated 24, Lord. 24/11.
Huh?
24/11, Lord. No coercive issue.
So, what have you received today?
no, we have not received anything. Lordship. I have communicated, Lordship, and then just now I have also communicated.
Achha.
They have not find this type of communication regarding this petitioner same is or not. As
Ah.
per their statement, they yes, it's same. So
Okay.
I have made a communication that
According to
give
you,
us
it's
a-
the same
No,
person. Not the same.
they are different. They are as per their statement.
Oh, they're different person.
Because
Different
my name, my father name totally
So,
different. I have annexed to the.
The person who's named in the, because
Person
of the
is-
same name you are apprehending.
Person name in the search sheet, Lordship, Mohammed Mintaz Ahmed alias Mofidul,
Mafidul.
son of Mohammed Nur Mohammed.
Yes.
Nur
And
Mohammed.
Ahmedpur block, Bihpuri address is there. And the petitioner's name is
Mafidul
Mafidul Islam, late Nurul Islam, son of village Ahmedpur
This,
block, Bihpuria.
Mintaz Ahmed alias Mofidul Islam is mentioned in the FIR. It is mentioned.
Yes.
Yes.
Certificate
Resident of Ahmedpur block near Delhi.
So I request them, the police concerned authority also have to provide us a report that whether this person is same or another person.
Lordship, as Annexer 4, Lordship.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, no. You're rightly, so we'll wait for the report.
Wait for the report, Lordship.
Yeah, Annex 4 is the charge sheet.
Lordship, order was there, Lordship, and that as per that order, Lordship.
Okay.
Police verified earlier, Lordship. Then Gabora also certified that I am not that person. Where the
see.
in the search sheet, Mumtaz Ahmed and Mafidul, and the petitioner is totally different person, and it's reflected as per order dated Lordship 14/11/2019, Lordship. Page 19.
No, such person is not found in this area. That is what
Maybe.
it says.
That's why
Charge sheet showed the
police
accused
suspecting me.
absconder.
So wait for a report, Lordship, it will for a better for dispose it also, Lordship.
Here was the order dated 21/11/2025. Let's stop. There was an issue regarding the identity of the petitioner vis-a-vis the person named in the FIR and charge sheet. Full stop. In the context of the same, report was called for
42 minutes.
from the concerned IO. Full stop. However, the report is not yet received. I wait and if issue reminder if any. The interim order dated 24/11/2025 shall continue till the next date of list. List the matter on
27. Can it be 27?
27.
27.
Of May.
What is your Lordship? We have not received the case diary. Petitioner is an interim.
The case diary is not received. Issue reminder for the same. The interim bail granted by the order dated 28/11 stands extended till the next date of listing. List the matter on
28/1.
28/1.
May I please, Your Lordship? My CP was called for. This case starts in this case.
Intimation. What the allegations? What is the allegation?
My lord, at page 15. my lord.
Just a minute. Stealing of cattle from the vehicle. Leave it. The petitioner was granted interim bail by order dated 2/12/2025. The learned additional PP submits that in the meantime, the information has been received that upon completion of investigation, charge sheet has been submitted. In view of the completion of allegation, completion of the investigation, I am of the considered view that bail can be granted in this case. So accordingly, the interim bail granted by order dated 2/12 is hereby made absolute, subject to two conditions. Shall be
Okay.
available prior if one commences, shall not hamper or temporarily disposal.
482 bail application.
Oh,
They are in the summon is issued, my. We are in apprehension that if we appear, madam, since that case is filed on non-bailable section. So if we.
Charge sheet under 326/307.
Yes. ma'am.
All these sections.
So my lord, my submission, my lord, we will appear, my lord, face trial. Protection is required. We will appear, my lord, then otherwise. As apprehension to appear, my lord.
They have been shown absconder in the search sheet, my lord. And search sheet is filed, man, under section, my lord, along with, my lord, 326 and 307, my lord.
Although, my lord, if we go through merits, my lord, we are denying, but we are not on that, my lord. We are saying that, my lord, we will approach, we will appear before trial, we will face trial, my lord.
Charge for raised and counsel, yes, additional PP RJ.
Victim is implicated, my lord,
Yes, yes.
regarding assault part, my lord. And but
Injury
they have been
also
shown
there.
absconder, my lord, in the search
Injury
sheet.
is also there. Injury is also there.
We are not there in the incident, my lord. We are denying, but we will face trial, my lord. Protection required, my lord.
FIR was lodged on 26/3/2024 at the Badarpur PS. with the allegations that the accused persons, a group of 60 people led by the FIR named accused persons attacked informant and their relatives with weapons and causing injuries. Full stop. The case was registered into Badalpur PS case number 89 of 24 under so and so 24, which after completion of investigation was charge sheeted by CS number 118 of 24 under sections 148, 149, 447, 323, 326, 307 IPC. The case is stated to be at the state of appearance. It is submitted by the learned counsel that he's not much into the merits at the moment, and his main contention is that the petitioners are willing to face their trial, but considering the nature of the penal sections, they have apprehension that the learned court below may not be able to grant them bail. Also, pre-petition. The scan record has been received. The learned additional PP submits that as far as merits are concerned, merit is concerned, the investigation implicated the petitioners, and therefore charge sheet has been filed. Nevertheless, to facilitate the progress of the trial, facilitate the progress of the proceeding before the learned court bill. I'm inclined to allow this petition accordingly. The event of arrest, 30,000 with one security of the like amount. The satisfaction and subject to the condition that they shall appear before the learned court below. They shall be available for trial. They shall not hamper or tamper with evidence. They shall not misuse their liberty to commit any offences.
Obliged.
Disposed of.
46.
46, my lord, case that was called for, my lord, not received, my lord. The petitioners are on interim, my lord.
Not received.
Yes.
Case diary is not received. You should remind the interim bail granted by the 1612 extended till the next date. List matter of
22-1, my lord.
maybe after that also. There also we have a
28. 28, my lord.
28.
20.
49, 50.
Kindly pass over the matter for the timing of this week.
You have received case diary?
Yes, there is, my lord.
Assault case. Assault
case, my lord.
Sorry.
51.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
In this case, the allegation of the FP7 BNS lordship in the 366A IPC.
A.
Yes. And girl is recovered lordship.
Where's the FIR?
The FIR is lordship 7.
7.
And Vernacular pays lordship at 12 lordship.
As per the allegation, he earlier also once
Yes,
similar
he had
allegation.
for a statement, he had some law affairs, the petitioner lordship, so he voluntarily eloped into a.
As per our statement.
As per statement. See, medical, she is.
But she's a minor.
She's a minor. In reading in class 10. And date of birth is 15/10/1/2010. Dada,
So Mondor, Mondor and DP Gosan. 482 bail application. Anticipatory bail in connection with Dispur PSK, 877. It's name. The gist of the allegations in the FIR and dated, what is the date of the FIR? And we give the date, huh? Before you give it.
Dispute PS case number
27/10/2025.
Yes.
That the accused person kidnapped the minor daughter of the informant, aged 16 years, and thereafter his family was also trying to force her into marriage. Full stop. The case diary has been received. The learned additional PP fairly submits that in a statement recorded before magistrate during investigation and recovery, right? So recovery. He has stated about love affairs and voluntarily going with the accused. However, the girl is stated to be aged 16 years. Nevertheless, I am of the view that granting of bail in this case would not prejudice the remaining investigation. In such view of the matter, they can 30,000 you conceive it. The satisfaction of the number one. He shall cooperate with remaining investigation, not hamper or temporary evidence, shall not harass or annoy or try to commit any offense with regard to the victim girl. Violation will entail cancellation of the bail. Return case diary.
Sorry for interfering, my lord. Item 43, my lord. Was in the washroom, my lord. Could not appear, my lord. Interim was there, my lord. It may be continued.
No problem.
Item.
Just now I took it up.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Item 43, my lord. CD was called for, my lord.
I think we have extended interim. No? Yes. I'll cross check it. I think I have extended the interim. I think I have extended the interim automatically, but let me cross check it for you. Maybe this is 28/11. Yes, extend. Next day. you can- 28/1.
March only.
Next.
Intimation.
64.
64, we have not received the case diary.
Yes, they did not receive lordship.
Is it in time, no?
Interim.
In time, there.
Huh? Interim, I'm not seeing an interim. Oh, it was not written in the subsequent orders. Interim is there.
Last 1 year lordship, CD has not.
Also pending for a long time. Anyway, hopefully after this. Pending for a long time. Anyway. Oh. It's pending since December to 24. December 24. The case diary is not received. The petitioner was granted interim bail on 13/12/2024. As the bail petition has been pending for considerable time, the IO is directed to positively send the case diary for the next date. In the meantime, the interim order by so and so shall stand extended in the next date of listing. So,
And then
list on
26. 28 one then.
Obliged.
65.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, it's an application under 482 BNSS. Today, the date fixed for CD called.
Yes.
Receivers.
FIR is in page 12, your lordship.
Some agreement for mobile tower payment.
Yes, yes.
The
your
amount
lordship.
is-
BSNL
Amount is
covers.
very huge.
Amount is very large. Anyway, 54 lakhs or something.
The co-accused was arrested and thereafter she was
granted bail by this honorable court, your lordship.
Who accused? He was-
Co-accused is my wife, your lordship.
Wife is the
basically.
co-accused. Lordship.
Right. So she was
That's-
arrested and thereafter granted bail.
Okay, you had submitted an order. Huh? Last day, did you submit an order? Do you have that order?
No, your lordship. Actually, I could not collect the order.
Okay.
Otherwise, Lordship, as per the allegations, he has collected very money from the complainant also and other persons also. And some accounts with complainant accounts where he transferred money to the petitioner's wife and petitioner's account.
My
also.
only concern is that it is some monetary dispute, but the amount is very large.
Very large.
Very large, and not only, the amount may be large in a monetary dispute. It's a pure monetary dispute, but
Monetary dispute, and the thing
this
is,
appears to be having some element of prima facie.
Yes.
Cheating also. So what is
And-
your take on this? Make your submission.
lordship, the thing is that the allegation of cash amount is 41,70,000 something. And he has not provided any receipt of that I have collected the same from that informant. And basically the agreement is between another person, that is the regional director Uppam Bora, who is Uppam Bora. And that particular person is not an accused in the present case, your lordship. Only I and my wife are both accused person, but with whom the agreement has been entered, he should have been another accused person in the present case, your
So
lordship.
your role was, what was your role? This role of this?
I
Any-
played as an intermediate, as alleged by the informant, intermediate. Because I do not work at BSNL. And I am not a service holder at the BSNL office, your lordship. But he alleged that I, on behalf of BSNL, approached the informant. And the bank account transfer is around 12,79,000, but other is 41,70,340 is cash amount. Person providing such a huge amount
I
of
mean, the
cash.
thing is that he has seen that for the informant says, I find some contradiction here also. Just a minute. I'll
Yes.
Come back to you. That he took his signature, and then after he has not seen him. Second
Yes.
part. But again, he says that after making the agreement, he has been taking money from me for different reasons. And it involves a cash amount of 41 lakhs. Cash amount of 41 lakhs.
Yes.
That's
Cash amount,
also very peculiar, actually. Anyway, just briefly, what are the investigation has revealed? Or I can also have a look if you want. Yeah, you were saying
yes,
something.
yes.
You can complete. You were saying something.
Yes, actually, the thing is that cash amount is huge, as your lordship can see it very clearly. And the bank transfer amount is minimal, that is 12 lakhs something, not minimal, but it is less than all of the total amount.
Relatively less.
Relatively less. And I am ready to cooperate with the investigation as far as possible, your lordship. I may appear before the investigating officer and I may record my statement also if I am protected. And moreover, my wife was also in custody. And as such, after
She was in custody.
she was in custody and she was granted bail by this honorable court only after 1.5 months, more or less. But sorry for that, I could not collect the order and provide to your lordship.
But on Predol's bank account, it was clearly reflected that the complainant has transferred rupees 7,18,695 rupees to the petitioner's account, this petitioner's account, and wife's account.
Some acquaintance, otherwise,
Yes.
stranger, you don't.
And witnesses have said that he had cheated several persons also, offering installation to.
This kind of order.
Yes, offering installation to provide installation of towers and others.
That's a problem then. That is a problem. When he is a.
So my humble submission is that at this stage, prima facie materials are there against the petitioner lordship. So at this stage of investigation, his custody intervention is very much necessary, lordship. And his wife also stated that he has some amount to transfer to her account also and his account also. As per a statement of his wife, who is a co-accused of this case.
Heard J. Das Lagat also. People start. Let me think about it, because the petitioner is seeking pre-arrest bail in connection with Aflong PS case number 61 of 2025. Under so and so section. And the Ezahar was lodged before the Aflong PS by the informant Pranjit Kemprai, Ponjit Kemprai. The gist of the allegations is that on 4/12/24, the accused petitioner approached him regarding leasing part of his land for installation of BSNL tower. And in connection with the same, and for the same, he was to get rupees. The informant was to get rupees 14,000 per month. It is further stated in the FIR that thereafter the accused made an agreement purportedly on behalf of BSNL. And BSNL full stop. However, the informant has not seen the second part. And thereafter also the accused petitioner took money from him for different reasons, including cash amount of rupees 41,70,000. It is also stated that an amount of 12,79,000 has been transferred to the account of the accused and his wife. So thus learned counsel for the petitioner submits that his wife, who was also arraigned as an accused, was arrested, and after being in custody for 1.5 months, she was granted bail by this court. It is submitted by the petitioner that the accused is willing to cooperate with the investigation and appear before the IO if is given some interim protection due to his apprehension of arrest upon such appearance. The investigation, the case diary has been received. The learned additional PP on the basis of the same submits that the materials indicate a cash transaction of approximately 7 lakhs in the account of the petitioner and his wife.
And his wife.
Petitioner. Have they given particulars of any other cases?
Not cases, but witnesses stating that they are other victims also they are on that area locality.
It is also submitted that the witnesses, there are statements of witnesses revealing that the accused petitioner has cheated people with other people also with similar modus operandi. We have two options. I'm telling you frankly, one to reject it now. Another option is to keep it pending and ask him to appear and record his version.
Going to the statement of the witness, one witness stating that till date, he has extracted him money, taken his money 25,59,000 in the name of BSNL tower officials works and miscellaneous expenses. And his wife account, he has given 28,46,920 rupees.
25 lakhs he has taken from?
Taken one of the other victims.
But Lordship, no.
But there's a statement of the victim, Lordship.
Statement of the victims.
Statements of the victim.
Other victim, that not
Other victims.
other victims.
Other victims.
No concrete proof has been given, Your Lordship. So I may be protected for the time being.
Because the conduct is very bad. It is also submitted by the learned additional PP that the statements of witnesses also reveal that from some other victims, he has taken various amounts amounting to about rupees 25 lakhs. In the FIR, the petitioner has, the informant has mentioned about making a payment of rupees 41 lakhs, approximately 41 lakhs in cash, which is also surprising. Nevertheless, the diary may be sent back and procured again with updated investigation for the next day. In the meantime, in the event of arrest of the petitioner, shall be allowed to go on bail of rupees 50,000 with one arresting authority, subject to the condition that he shall cooperate with the investigation, appear before the IO for recording his statement, shall not hamper or tamper with evidence, shall not indulge in any illegal activities. Let him record his version of events, what he has to say. Otherwise, a lot of materials.
Yes.
List the matter on 28 or 29.
Lordship.
29, Lordship.
29.
Lordship.
29.
Deeply obliged.
And we are 49.
Bail on 9. That's it.
14.
I'm for 50, my lord. Interim was there already appeared. And statement recorded of the point.
49.
Yes.
I'm for 49.
You are for 49.
Yes, I'm 50. I'm a 50.
50.
Yes.
49 and 50. no?
Yeah, 49.
Arpit case, it seems, right?
Yes. Arpit to play my own cousin brother. He has gone there to save him. And ultimately, many people, villagers were there, my lord. And on that basis, your lordship was pleased to grant interim bail, my lord. And he already appeared own brother, my own cousin. Paragraph. No such relation.
So the allegations about assault are exaggerated according to your instruction.
Yes, yes. He has gone to the place of occurrence, my lord, and the person present, they mistakenly took him to be one part of that gathering, my lord. That's why his name is there, my lord. And others, almost all of them got bail. This case will already appeared as per your lordship's order, my lord. Statement also recorded subject to my land of fiancé.
1-8, no?
Yeah.
Every model is 1-8.
Yes, sir. Sirajul Haq. Yes, sir. And he does not have any relation with other accused man. Victim is his own cousin. Both.
Very learned senior counsel, Ajay Borwa. The gist of the allegations in the FIR dated 23/7/2005 is that the informant's younger brother was kidnapped by the accused persons and taken to the house and taken to their house, wrongfully confined, tied up and assaulted. Full stop. As many as 10 persons are named in the FIR, including the present petitioner Sirajul Haq. He was granted interim bail on 1/8/2025. Person to which is stated to have appeared before the IO. He has appeared?
Sirajul appeared, my lord. Sirajul appeared, statement recorded, my lord. And as far as the injury is concerned, my lord, injuries is, my lord, grievous, my lord, caused by blunt offense. Blunt object, my lord.
The learned additional PP submits that the petitioner, after getting interim protection, appeared before the IO and his statement recorded. They submitted that, however, the injury report indicates grievous injury with blunt object. Any other thing? Any other thing?
Any other, my lord, other thing, my lord, accused person implicated, my lord, victim.
Despite the aforesaid adverse material, as the petitioner rendered his cooperation in terms of the interim order, I am not inclined to cancel the same. In view of the, in such view of the matter, the interim bail is hereby made absent, subject to the condition that he shall cooperate with remaining investigation, shall not commit any illegal activities, shall not hamper or tamper with its return case diary,
Obliged.
This 2% my lord statement I have not found, my lord, in respect to the other case. Item number, my lord.
One
50.
lady, one old lady was granted interim, the others were not granted interim.
May I please, my lord? The lady, my lord, due to some illness, my lord, she stays in a very remote area. Due to some illness, she could not appear before the investigating officer, my lord. Our apologies for that. No, my lord,
I had directed the lady to appear actually. I had not
no, not directed, actually.
Well, I was
But-
conscious of that factor.
Parbot Ali statement also I have not found, my lord.
But no, they were not
They
given.
were not
interim.
granted, but only petitioner.
Only that lady.
Lady was granted.
I was conscious of this. I have not directed.
Yes.
I just said she'll cooperate with investigation. That's all. I have not directed her.
In this case is that that one factual aspect is that he was dragged and taken to this home, but actually, my lord, that victim person himself trespassed a house of another person, and when the person got alarmed, they got to know that there is a trespass, so they shouted like chore and dacoit, and in that particular aspect, my lord, the villagers came and he was manhandled. That is the only issue. There's nothing, no intention for harming. Neither there is any aspect of kidnapping. He was not kidnapped. He trespassed the house of a local villager, and there was a shout. So the other villagers came, and there was a manhandle him to that aspect. And in injuries, my lord, he was released from
There's
the
some
hospital just 2
grievous
days back.
injuries. Blunt weapon.
Attempt to murder.
Blunt,
penalty.
which part of the body? Head.
No, my lord, it is, my lord, in the,
Fracture? No fracture.
my lord, it is the leg, my lord, leg and back, my lord.
It must be then fracture. Must be fracture then. Must be fracture. Blunt
My
weapon.
lord,
Blunt
as per the
weapon.
injury report, my lord, yes. Fracture of ulna, my lord.
No, it's a
Fracture.
leg
My
part.
lord,
It's a big bone.
Yes, my lord.
And
It's a big bone.
these people only handled hand over him to the police. They called the police ambulance, and these persons only hand over him. There are lot of
It has about. And so. Which we- on 19/12/2025, petitioner number 4, Rangitan Nesa stated to be 60-year-old lady and not named in FIR was granted interim bail. Interim free arrest bail. The case diary is received to. Full stop. The learned additional PP submits that the medical report indicates grievous injury.
Caused by blood weapon.
Blunt weapon, within bracket, fracture, and
Fracture,
fracture,
my lord.
fracture. Actually, it's not a fit case, but not a very fit case. Prima facie, on per se. However, it is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the allegations are exaggerated and no such incident as alleged. No such incident of the degree as alleged had taken place. Most of this is by separate order, one co-accused has been granted bail, anticipatory bail by this court. As today, considering the progress of investigation and aspect of parity, the petitioner, I allow this petition as well. Accordingly, the interim bail granted to Rangitan Nesa is hereby made absolute. And with regard to the other 3 persons, namely, so it is directed that given 25,000 at 10, subject to the condition that they shall maintain peace and not commit any illegal activities or offenses. They shall not hamper or tamper with evidence, not harm, harass, or influence witnesses or informants. The bail petition stands allowed and disposed of. Return back the case to.
highly obliged.
It is very brief. How many orders are there? No? Okay. Let us see. You can take the orders of. No. Admission. Out of the path, it will not take much, 10 minutes. Orders. I'll quickly take the orders. Finish, no? Then whatever time is left, we can take that admission. Why it has come up for?
May please worship. Worship on behalf of Esnawad, Amicus.
It's amicus, right? It has come up for, it's ready for hearing, I believe, right?
Worship relevant, the registry may be directed to provide relevant copies.
Oh, it has not been provided.
Not only that.
CR has come in the meantime, yes. Your good name, please.
A.S. Chaudhary.
A.S. Chaudhary, Land Council appears on behalf of the Mr. S. Nawaz, amicus curiae, appointed to represent the appellant, convict appellant, who has preferred this appeal from jail. Next up, in the meantime, the original case record, original TCR has been received. However, the registry shall furnish a copy of the necessary copies to the learned amicus. Have you received any copy? And also to the learned prosecution. Also to the learned prosecution. Thereafter, it can be posted for hearing. This is the matter of the petition. This is the matter in the later part of January on a date to be fixed by registry, right?
May I please,
Yes.
Your Lordship, copy of charge sheet. That is dated 22.
Why it has come for orders, Madam? What is, why it has?
In this case, accused number 1 already married the victim person. In this regard, the victim and her mother also submitted an affidavit at Annexa 4A and Annexa 4B
Just.
at page number 23, 24.
Yep. I see.
FIR is lodged by the paternal uncle of the victim.
May I please worship. Worship, I have submitted Ukalatnama for the respondent number 2.
Oh, sorry, in this case.
And it was reflected in the, not reflected in the cause list till now, but in Equator, it is a bit.
Okay.
Now they're having
As
to
a,
say
you know, private capacity or amicus?
Not the private capacity.
Private.
Private capacity.
Yes. No, it has come for orders. That's why I'm asking. So, I see. Mhm. So you want to file any reply or something?
No, Lordship. Lordship, actually, there was a misunderstanding regarding, so FIR was filed.
Okay.
And I am the paternal uncle of the victim.
now they are living happily. Accused.
Here is the previous order dated 24/11/2025. Heard GK Das, Learned Counsel for the. There's more than one petition. For the
Three
three petition.
petitioners.
You are appearing for the state. RJ Bora, learned additional KPF appears for the state. And Mr. What is it? No, it's not what it is. He enters appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2, who was the informant. In this proceeding, the petitioners are seeking, the 3 petitioners are, you're seeking quashing of, what is the stage of the case, by the way?
Appearances.
Appearance. The quashing of PRC number 2673 of 2024. Resulting, corresponding to Sonai PS case number 124 of 2019. Stop. Which after investigation was charge sheeted against these petitioners, 3 petitioners, under section 366, right?
Yeah.
366/34 IPC. Instruct. Just where is the agreement? Just help me with it. We pass a short order. Do everything. The case is stated to be the state of appearance. It's stop it. I'm just looking at the FI, this affidavit. Sign up to this, right? It is submitted by Mrs. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that in the meantime, the parties arrived at an agreement, and in this regard, Monowara Begum Laskar, mother of the alleged victim girl, submitted an affidavit that in 2019, her daughter / the alleged victim girl has got married with the petitioner number 1. Petitioner number 1, as per Islamic law. And out of the wedlock, they have 2 children, a son and a daughter. And that they are living peacefully now. Mr. You are?
A.H. Chaudhary.
Mr. Chaudhary, no, we have written here, Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel, who has entered appearance for the informant, does not dispute the said, right? You do not dispute the said affidavit, and submits that the FIR was lodged by the maternal uncle of the victim girl. Paternal uncle of the victim girl. And that the informant also does not have any objection to putting the criminal proceedings to an end as paid for by the petitioner side. Considering the aforesaid facts and circumstances, I am of the considered view that though per se it was a crime against women, but in the context of the supervening circumstances, dash the marriage of the victim girl with the accused petitioner number 1, begetting of 2 children, and the settlement arrived at between the parties are at a dash. Not much purpose would be served by allowing the criminal litigation to continue. Accordingly, in such view of the matters, the entire criminal proceedings of PRC so and so pending in the court of the learned SDGM S. Kasar Silchar are hereby quashed. In the instant criminal petition stands allowed and dismissed open and proceed. No need to write much.
66, supplementary 66.
Please, Your Lordship. This quashing petition is against the order dated.
Sir, why has it come for orders? Let me, because Milan does.
Steps has been taken, but service report not yet come.
Just a minute, let me check it. Scan copy has been received. Yes, scan copy. has been received. Along with scanned copies of case diaries. I think, I don't think case diary has come out. No, Anna. Huh? No, it has not come.
Not come.
It has not come. And in the meantime, have you taken steps? You have taken steps on respond number two?
Steps have been taken here, so
Taken.
but service report not yet come.
Not yet received.
What for service report?
Where is the order dated 1/12/25? No, which is Chaudhary and RM Chaudhary. The await service report with regard to respond number two. Issue fresh requisition for the scanned copies of PCR along with scanned copy of case diary. List in the later part of January.
Yet maybe fixing.
Date if you want date 29/1 or no 30 we'll fix. We have not fixed date on time. Trees 30th January. Huh? Or in the orders column.
Well,
We come in the orders column.
must.
Just scan copy. Scan copy. No office note. Await service report with regard to respond number two. Stop. Issue. Again, fresh requisition for the scanned copy of PCR and case diary. Okay, it on trees. 31. Trees Act. Yes.
Might be lost. But involving the second marriage, both parties belong to particular region, my lord. And as per that here, just your lordship, listen, Kubita. Just for your lordship. Just written on the date of to the marriage took place 2002. About 23 years back, my two children. Met Matona House in December 21, lodged an FIR under 498, which is still pending, madam. Then again she came back. Then again on 13/3 she left. Then filed an DB case. Then petitioner also filed a restitution. She did not appear. That dismissed, my lord, not disposed. Petitioner finally after 3 years, my lord, he only to see that, my lord, his father's parents, my lord, he married on 4/8/25. And she filed the case on the same day. Cognizance taken, charge sheet filed, cognizance taken, my lord, and now matter is done. Now, whether after repeated that year, my lord, and your lordship kindly see the judgment of the Supreme Court, if the same party belongs to the same, both the party belong to the same religion, Muslim religion, my lord, that it cannot be void, my lord. If both the marriages, one marriage is void, then of course, my lord, 494 comes.
If one party is not a Muslim.
No, here, yes. So here both the parties are Muslim. Second marriage is allowed as a personal law, madam.
So within personal law, it is allowed.
It is allowed.
It's permissible. So it's not void.
Pure nine. Pure nine.
One is on leave.
Two judgments are there, my lord. One is on the same point, my lord. Paragraph 18, your lordship
So
15.
today, why is it come for orders? Because we have some time constraint.
Well, that is the problem.
I'll just see, registry to call for scanned copy of PCR. Can you check this? With a scan, huh? I'll see this. This is the. Okay, this will help me.
15 minutes ago. I'm copy nine. Two copies are there, RDA also here given a copy.
Record has not come. And respond number two, service is still everything.
Service is everything, man.
Service is everything. So we'll have to, but this will be, I'll keep this in the record. This will be very helpful for the final hearing. It will be anyhow, we have some time constraint.
Duta copy also there. Two copies on column sheet, madam. 2022 SCC online.
Yes, yes.
2 copies, I think, man. In the record, 1 copy, man. Anyway, my lord, we'll make it out, man. No problem. Let it be in the file, man. No.
You can tell me the citation. I'll ask her to take it
Citation number 2022 SCC online,
online.
Bombay.
Oh, this is here. 12.
Yes,
here. 12036.
1203. Almost, let it be there, man. No. We'll make out a copy, man.
But if you want to, for studying, you can take.
Let it remain, no
I
problem.
will study on the next day.
No problem.
Because there was the last order dated 1812 stuff. So we'll wait for the service report, I think.
Only thing is,
Or-
of course.
Or you want to take fresh steps?
First, already report has not come, I think.
Report has not come.
No, my lord.
Can instruction be
Hmm?
taken about the service?
So that has to be taken, my lord. It will come to registry, go to registry, my lord.
Uh-huh.
Because it is not a case of POXO, my lord.
Fox, true.
Only in case of POXO, my
I
lord, we have
see.
to take.
Yes,
instruction.
that's why I asked.
Yeah.
Anyway, so, or we await, right? No fresh case.
No, first.
Await service report with regard to respond number 2. In the meantime, issue a fresh requisition for the TCR of PRC number 1071 of 1071 of 25. Within bracket GR 1171 of 25. Arising out of Goripur PS case number 346 of 25 from the court of the learned additional CGM Dhubri. Okay.
Scan copy, my lord. Scan copy.
Scan copy.
Scan copy.
Only, mother, in the meantime, I left your lordship, my lord.
Which
Because it is a case of stay, my lord, because several cases are pending, 498 domestic violence, against second marriage. I got a right to marry, my lord, because after 3 years I had married. Not that, my lord, simply from the,
What is the stage of this case?
it is cognizance taken, my lord. Evidence is taken. Unless what is exactly Bojolal is applicable in this case, my lord.
Learned senior counsel for the petitioner side has submitted a brief note regarding regarding the case and also one case law. Till the returnable date / next date of listing, further proceedings of so and so PRC number so and so shall remain stable. You can decide and then they can proceed if they want.
Obliged to us.
If it's not cost.
Obliged.
Yeah, date like.
Till the next day, date is given.
Date, no, I have not given the date. I forgot actually. 30th January. 30th January. 31.
Obliged.
Hold on. We are almost done. Yep. Where is that? Order set.
Unlisted item 1.
Unlisted. Oh, you have mentioned no? Only.
Please. Earlier rejected, only is there maybe call for. Rejection already 163 pages.
Yes, page number.
F75 dispute. F75.
What is the Mr.?
Is that maybe call for?
On dispute case, my lord, so we can fix it immediately after vacation, my
My
lord.
lord, on 9th, other matter is fixed
Ninth.
on
Ninth.
9 tomorrow.
Okay,
Other matter
ninth.
fixes in coordination branch.
Call for the case diary of dispute PS case number, same PS case.
Same PS.
Dispute PS case number 875 of 2025. The petitioner hearing was arrested on 27/10/2025. Heard so and so. Khan and A Khan, RJ Bora. We'll take a chance tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Do you want any direction for any particular listing? But before that bench or not?
No.
You are rejected by the Honorable
This
Court.
Oh, no problem. I'll sleep again. After that case diary.
9. Main count.
9/1.
Much of it.
We have not much time, huh? So just quickly.
Lordship have heard the matter extensively on last occasion.
Is it part or?
No, not part heard, but I have submitted it at length. The issue is very
Then
simple,
it
Lordship.
happened, part heard. Your effort should not be wasted, but anyway, so it is not, I did not mention. Anyway.
Lordship, the issue is that the adult daughter, under DB Act, the adult daughter is not entitled to get any maintenance order from the court. But
Adult unmarried daughter.
adult.
No, unmarried daughter will, may get. I
No,
think.
it is under 1 to 5 of CRPC, the till marriage, but in DB case, it stands on different footing. It is not, in fact, it is not a maintenance case. The DB case is, the act is designed to compensate the aggrieved person for
Actually,
damages.
it's just that in DV.
Yeah, but
though
I'm not
people
going
get
on that
maintenance,
aspect, Lordship.
though people
So
seek
I am-
maintenance in DV, you're right, actually. DV is actually, maintenance is a monetary relief actually for suffering domestic.
Yes, yes, a monetary relief for damage. The act is very clear and specific, but I am not on that, Lordship. Since she is my daughter, I am ready to pay. In fact, on last occasion, I have submitted also that I am
Oh,
spending.
now I remember. Directly want to pay.
Yes.
Directly
just-
to you.
Just I'll deposit the amount in her account directly, because already I am depositing 20,000 per month for her study. So another 4,000 is not at all a big issue. But
Mr.
I'll not deposit the amount in the hand of the aggrieved, so-called aggrieved wife. This is my prayer is very simple.
You are Mr. Mazumdar, right?
Yes, Lordship.
I think what I propose, Mr. Mazumdar, is that let us, since I had heard, because I have narrated, we'll keep it as part heard and fix it on 19th at 2 p.m. and take it up and discuss.
Lordship.
But nobody has appeared for the other side.
On last two occasions, they
They have been serviced.
Yes,
They have
they
been noticed.
appeared on last two, 3 occasions they appeared, but suddenly they stopped appearing. And earlier occasion, they also repeatedly they took time
Was a
to file
Mr.
objection.
Biswas, he
Yeah.
said that there was an appeal also. I see.
The appeal is a different subject matter, Lordship.
No, okay. Mr. Biswas will be appearing. Anyway, kindly inform me. Huh? You inform Mr. Biswas.
So far, my instruction is that, information is that the respondent has taken brief from them.
Oh, okay. Oh, maybe. Where is the Mr. Herd FZ Mazumdar for the petition? The respondent is represented in this case by Mr. Learned Counsel SC Biswas. However, none appears today. Here is the order dated 16/12/2025. Mr. Mazumdar submits that on the earlier occasion, some arguments were addressed. However, I find that the matter is not part heard. Nevertheless, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner reiterates some of his arguments to Mr. The matter may be kept as part heard, fixed on 19/1/2025 at 2 p.m.
At 2, yes, Lordship.
May I please?
Lordship, this is an
But I
interesting point actually. Anyway,
I beg to mention item number 13, so time is.
13.
Yes,
Yeah, there will be no
maybe,
time.
Fixed immediately after Bihu vacation, my lord.
Okay. Yes. Did you mention in the morning? No,
No.
not this one.
I thought it will raise, my lord.
Uh, Paucity of time. This is the matter after the Bihu holidays. Date you want?
My lord, yes, my lord. My lord. There is no any allegation against the petitioner, my lord.
3/30. 30? 30 January. Any interim order? No.
No, my lord. Highly obliged.
Lordship, item number 12,
Yeah, 12.
maybe can be fixed in 21.
Yes, it can be. But what is this matter? Just a minute.
No.
No.
Petition
12,
criminal clubbing of affairs. Today is for affidavit, reply affidavit.
Oh, for clubbing.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. I see. The government, you are appearing, Mr. For the,
No,
who's
no.
appearing for the?
No, I provide.
Government advocate was. He had, he had,
No one is from GE.
he had undertaken to take some instructions as to why, whether the CID investigation is also touching upon these other investigations, again, in different parts of the state. Okay, no problem. Oh, paucity of time. Your good name, please?
D Soikia.
D. Soikia appears, this thing. Government advocate, no one.
No one is present.
None appears for the state, the moment. The, please the matter after the vacation on 21-1.
21 January.
21, okay?
Lordship. My Lordship, item number 55, that is to be fixed on 21st January.
Just a minute. 55?
Yes,
Oh.
my Lordship.
Okay, there's a hearing of.
Hearing.
Yeah.
For a long time, it is just not reaching.
We have to find a different method, no?
Yes.
Maybe
20th
item.
January, item number 55.
Another thing, I think today I'll pass. I think I will not be able to, I should not take up this matter.
Right.
Because he's a commissioner.
Yes,
of
GST
Indian IRS officer, right?
Yes,
Because
correct.
I think, and that as the then CBI judge, that I had passed an order rejecting his bail. There's no bar. But
Okay.
the thing is that it is important for the litigant to also have satisfaction. Yeah.
Right.
It is for them we all exist.
Mr. Lord.
So let it be before another bench. Let this be before another bench. No,
Right.
55 paucity of time. Further, the matter may be listed before another bench without me. When you come up before another
That can be fixed on 20th January?
20, I can fix it, but
Yes.
again, reaching.
My Lordship, yes.
Then you engage with the other court and then get a date fixed if it does not reach on
Lordship.
20th. It's on 20 this time.
Obligation.
In item number 14, I pray for Lordship 27th of this month,
Uh-huh. Okay.
paucity of time. I have to do.
Yeah, possibly of time. It's any interim order?
No.
No. 27-1. And at a hearing matters, you can fix it. Give a date 54. Anybody for 54? No. For you for 54?
Lost,
When should I fix it? No time today, of course, because hearing matter.
lost.
When should I fix it? Any suggested date from your
After
side?
vacation.
After vacation. List the matter. List the matter, list the matter.
LCR also is not complete, Lordship.
Not complete.
One LCR was my lord received.
I have not seen the order.
My lord, the
Yes, sir.
TCR from the my lord Leonard Cesium has not been received.
It's a revision against conviction.
Conviction, Lordship. So TCR from the my lord, trial court record is defeated, Lordship. And the question of perversity is there, Lordship.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Peruse the previous order, paucity of time, previous order dated 4/12/2025. It appears that case record has not yet been received. Issue fresh requisition for the original case record of GR case number 4585 of 1995.
Lordship.
Very old. When should I fix it? List the matter in the, it should come in the hearing or orders column?
It may be for orders, Lordship.
Yeah, list in the orders column on 28-1.
Lordship.
28-1.
Lordship.
Oof.
Obligation.
Oh, that was